Nope, stop that. Okay. Is the stream started? Yeah, there we go. Let's check this. OpenAI Spring Update, 26 minutes.
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
I'm actually.
Okay, so yeah, I haven't been streaming, but it feels good to be back. I've been doing a little bit of work. Got some of my grades back. Physics. CS 128. Nope. And yes. No, this still is not out yet. Okay. I had starting the stream late today because I had to take my grandma to the dentist and stuff this morning. Yeah, I'm just checking out my camera. I'm seeing if it's good. Looks fine. Yeah, looks fine. Let's see the. Move this back a little bit. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Stop bothering you.
Mm-hmm.
Since your finals are over, I feel I can.
Alright. Let's see what's popping. Okay, so we had this. Started working on this yesterday. Are you serious? Why do I have to log in again? What's going on? Okay, whatever. Hold on, let me log into this. I think I might turn down the mic a little bit because okay, here's the summer roadmap so far.
Do his cat speak
Of course.
on the furniture?
I don't know. Okay, let me grab my headphones. And I need to figure this out. Yo, what's up, Jinx? Your clips. I haven't streamed in a while. It's been a couple days, 4 days. I felt so bad not streaming. My life sucked. I was gonna see something though. How do you convert a 2 GB file into 1 GB? You can't really convert it to 1 GB like explicitly. You can make it smaller, whatever it is. I'm chilling. I'm making my summer roadmap. Yeah, like, if you mean like to send it, you can zip it. You can zip it and then send it to somebody, and they can extract it on their end. But yeah, other than that, you can make the video smaller, just trim it. But that's really like the only way. Otherwise, I'd ask chat, because he's him. Yeah, I mean, that's still pretty bad. Hold on. Let me see something. This might be, I'm on mute, because this is going to be pretty loud. Alright, there we go. What's up, Dennis? Dennis Shabani. What's going on, bro? Alright, so wait, I had this research paper. What is your major? Physics. I'm doing bachelor's in physics, master's in computer science. That's what I'm currently doing. I want to do a PhD later, but it's in like 4 years. Alright, I was gonna pull this up. Let me see this. Bro, why is my scroll wheel so slow? This is unbearable. Are you at home? Oh, hold on. Hey, Andrew. What's up? Isn't it better to just learn whole Linux case and AWS and just go for sysadmin? Opposed to what? Is it better opposed to what? Are you home? I am home. I am home. My scroll wheel is like really, really bad. It's really, really slow. I don't know what this is about. Maybe I should change my mouse profile. No, it's still unbearable, dude. That's terrible. Whatever. Do you have exams? I do not have exams anymore. Calc was fine. I got a 90, which isn't ideal. I wanted to get 100. I got an entire question wrong, which I just think should not have happened. I don't understand how I possibly got a question wrong. There's tons of math here in computer science for some reason. Yeah, of course, there's a bunch of math in computer science. For how long are you staying at home? I'm gonna be at home until August when I go back to school. I think the first day of school, is like the 20 something, 26. So I'm gonna be here till, I think I'm going on vacation on like the August 8th or something, but till August pretty much. And this might be the PDF I'm looking for. Hello? I'm streaming. Oh my gosh. Can you just DoorDash it? Yeah, I can DoorDash or Uber Eats. Oh, he's out. Yeah, do that. Yeah. No, I'm preparing. I'm doing like preparing for my research project and stuff. Yeah, no. Yeah. All right, bye. I got exams. Bye for now. See you later, Jinx. Good luck on your exams. Okay, wait. Who is this research paper by? PRS Global Open. I mean, I should just be. No. Yeah, I don't know what any of these are. After. Yeah, I mean, this is it. But. Yeah. PRS Global Open. Yeah, so this is it. Dude, this scroll wheel is terrible. I don't understand what's going on. Any tips on studying for long periods of time? I don't know about tips. A lot of people are really different, you know. What works for somebody might not work for somebody else, but I just say, like, just lock in. No phones. You gotta try not to go on your devices. The second you go on Instagram or Snapchat or whatever, it's wraps. Just try to limit distractions as much as possible. You have your last exam on Saturday. That's sick. What class? Yeah. What is that? Do you typically use social media whenever you have free time? Of course, I go on social media in my free time. You're studying computer engineering. What exams do you have? What exam do you have on Saturday? A lot of these don't really have many upvotes. I don't know. Bruh. I now want to install more software. That's terrible. You're in high school? That's sick. Are you, what year are you? I mean, this is not... Do they have a... When's the last time they updated this? Two days ago. I see pushes. Set up people. Yeah, I mean, releases. Oh, it's 2 days ago. Okay, Python 2, bro. What? Oh, my scroll wheel is unbearably slow. A fellow UC man, graduated last year. What do you study? I'm studying physics and master's in computer science. 11th grade. That's sick. Have you thought about any colleges that you're gonna apply to yet? Right, just the... Okay, 573. Let's try this. Okay. Oh. Yeah, fix it right away. I bet. Thanks, bro. Yeah, that's fire. Okay. Yeah. Is that physics, or Granger physics? I'm in Granger physics. Yeah, I'm in Granger physics. You be quiet. Yeah. Alright, so I need to roadmap my research. So my physics class starts on the 20th. Bro, I wanted to see the... Where's the thing at? How do I do this? Maybe here? Alright, there we go. I want to see the syllabus. Can I ask, what was your ACT scores? I got a 35 on the ACT when I took it at my school. At my high school. Researching your problem on Google is a whole art, of course. That's like, people are like software engineers get paid by how fast they can Google, essentially. It's like, who can utilize Reddit and Stack Overflow the best? But I want to find the syllabus of this class. And also, I would like to hide the bookmark bar. Yeah, the problem is these don't say syllabus. Here's syllabus. What's the class called? Physics what? 222. Okay, try phys. Oh, PHY. There we go. I don't know why it's 5 credit hours. It's so crazy. But these are not gonna have the syllabus. I don't know why Google thinks this is gonna have the syllabus. Of course it doesn't have the syllabus. I mean, do they even have syllabus? Instructors. I'm not gonna email the instructor. Online and in person. Yeah, so I don't know which class is in person. Oh, this is online. Yeah, no, but I still have the lab. All this is in person. The lecture is in person. This lecture is in person, and this lab is in person. Oh, this. Look at this schedule, dude, for one class. This is so crazy. 8 to 10 Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, 8 to 11:20 Tuesday, Thursday. Do you have hobbies? Yeah, research is my hobby. And I play hockey. That's a big hobby that I have. Yeah, hockey's awesome. I play hockey all the time. I just skated yesterday. I might skate today. Let me check the ring schedule. What do I Google here? Yeah, depending on what time it's at. It's 1:26 now, so we'll see. I also may have to pick up my sister from school, which sucks, but it's chill. It's 6:15. Oh yeah, I can do 6:15. Let me text this kid. Yeah, I might skate today. How much money you made in stock trading? I made a pretty decent amount of money overall. I mean, I need like a time frame. I traded for about 2 years of active trading, and now I just passive trade. Show your website. Okay. This is my website. You can go to it if you want. You see how slow that loaded? That's what I'm trying to fix today. The image loads super slowly because all of these pages are concurrently loading. Like when I click on the website, all of these, so all my blog posts, everything loads concurrently. And I don't want that. I just want the about page to load, and then everything else needs to lazy load so that like my full priority is loading this about page in this image, which the image is like the main thing that takes the longest time because loading HTML is really easy, but this image and this whole page need to be loaded first, and then everything lazily loaded after that. So that's what I wanted to work on, and maybe some algorithms with my blog posts, even though I'm pretty sure most of it's pretty much done. So did you code this entire page? Yeah, I did. All the code is right here. Oh wait, I actually made a shortcut for this. Let me do it. It's like CD SW? No, CD. Oh wait, it's just SW. Yeah, there we go. I have an alias. I forgot I made an alias. Yeah, I did code this entire page. All the code's right here. You can tell I coded it because it is unbelievably, like this code is terrible. Look how long this HTML file is for absolutely, let's see if I can scroll, for absolutely no reason. So I need to fix that as well. It's so unbelievable. Dude, my CSS file is even worse because CSS is really not like a lot. There's no reason that a CSS file should be this long. It's because every time I needed to style like anything, I would just make a completely new object. Like 700, I think it might be over 1,000 lines. Wait, that's crazy. Most of this stuff can be concatenated, which I could do, but I have no need to even do that though, because like sure it was a mistake making it this long, but is it really worth changing it? Like I'm gonna have to face a bunch of issues. Maybe these different objects inherit from different classes, so I'm just gonna leave it. But like, see, I have individual objects for each section. Like if we go to HTML file, every single section. I'm trying to find one. Yeah, see, like this is a blog tag. This is a read tag. I made main, work. I made everything. Each thing has its own individual tag, so that's terrible, but I mean, it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that. How long did it take you? It took me a couple days. What IDE or text editor do you use? I use Vim. Shit, I need to catch up on these things. Okay, how often do you read? I read every day. The current book that I'm reading is this book. It might be in reverse. It also might be a little blurry, but Mathematics for Machine Learning. That's the math I was doing on the board. It's just linear algebra, approximating equations, systems of equations, finding like general and particular solutions. Okay, let's continue. What does research mean? Right now I'm researching like regression. I'm doing a project for my dad where I'm gonna analyze his patient's data and see how effective his treatments are for his individual patients. And then he'll be able to input new data, input new values for patients, and we would get a prediction of how effective certain treatments will be for them, depending on like previous health conditions and medication that they're taking and a whole bunch of different data points. How often did I already answer that? What year of school are you in? I'm a freshman. I just finished my freshman year. waiting for my grades to be posted. Waiting for my grades to be posted. Hopefully some of them are on here. Yeah, no, nothing's on here. No grades yet. LOL, goodness, first time here from Brazil, that's fire. How long did my website take me? A couple days. I think I already answered that. Yeah, GPT-4o can refactor that. I just saw that on Discord. I'm in the OpenAI Discord and I just saw that. Where do you host your website? My website's hosted on AWS. What's the best way to get better at coding? That's an interesting question because like what sense, like what area of coding? Because coding is so like crazily vast, right? Because you can code anything. If you can think it, you can code it. So my best advice is to find something specific that you want to code, or maybe some subset of computer science that you want to learn about, and then learn that and then apply it with coding. So like you can do machine learning. So to learn machine learning, it's a lot of math and a lot of algorithms and a bunch of different crazy things. It's super hard to learn, but once you learn it, then you can start implementing it and you'll get better at coding from just practice, just iteratively implementing different algorithms. But so yeah, you gotta find a specific niche or like subset that you really wanna study and then just attack it. Take forever to grade stuff. Yeah, it's crazy. The deadline is the 17th, so I should know by then. I mean, some of my classes have been graded, so like these are all my final grades. Actually, Rhett, I have extra credit, so it's supposed to be like a 97 or 98, but I mean it doesn't matter. I'm at a 4.0 regardless. This is completely graded, completed. That's my discussion section for calc, and then this just got graded. My final, I got a 90, so it brought my grade down from a 97 or 98. It brought my grade down from a 98 to a 95, which I'm not happy about. This is my final grade in 128. And they added an additional 1.35% to every single person's grade. I'll show the email. I don't know if like I'm really supposed to show this email, but I mean it doesn't matter. Let me see here. So they're gonna add 1.5% to everyone's overall percentage scores. So I'll have a 101 point something in 128 physics. I also got a 90 on my final in physics, which sucked, but I finished with an A, so it's fine. And then I'm just waiting on CS 173. Did you use EC2 instance to host on AWS? I used AWS Amplify, so it's a little bit easier than EC2. Where is this one? I think I should be logged in on here. Oh crap, it looks like I've never used AWS on here. Log back in. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, let me log in. Okay, good. Yeah, I use AWS Amplify with GitHub, so every time I push to Git, it just instantly uploads. It's from the main repository, so I don't have to do anything really. Besides for the initial deployment, it always just auto deploys. See, it has every single auto deployment because this is like every time I've committed anything to my GitHub, which is great. My old website, which sucks, I hate my old website. It looks like this. Really slow, really stupid. I hate this website. This was manual drag and drop, which sucked because every time I made a change, I'd have to drag and drop all of the code, wait for it to deploy, and then close the tab. But now on this one, I can just commit from anywhere, close my computer, and it all updates on the cloud in real time. So you learn web development coding all yourself? Yes, I did. Web development is very, very easy. Also, there's a lot of resources on the internet about it, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Exorcism, learn fundamentals programming, object-oriented programming. Yeah, you gotta learn the fundamentals first, but I was assuming that you already knew that. when I was giving my tips. Yeah, my focus is towards web development. Yeah, that's good. Web development's good. If you're really, really good at web development, then it's hard. But for someone like me who's making a simple portfolio website, it's really easy. So yeah, web development's sick. Does the research depends? Okay, I don't really know how to answer that question. Does it depend on what? You taking summer courses? I'm taking 11 credit hours. I'm taking this class, Physics 222, which is Physics 212 at my school, Electricity and Magnetism. And then I'm also taking, let's see if I can view this in self-service. I'm taking General Chemistry and, wait, let's see if they posted any grades here. No grades here. Yeah, this is midterm grades. So, okay, whatever. I guess self-service doesn't work. Yeah, I'm taking General Chemistry and, where's class registration? Calc 3. Calc 3. These are my summer courses. General Chemistry and Calc 3. Free Code Camp is a good resource for web dev. Sure. Read Clean Code by Robert Martin if you want to move in the right direction. Yeah, I've read a couple. Do not read Clean Code LMA. No, I know how to write clean code, obviously. I just chose not to because it's a little side project. Wow, you had 500 subs. Oh my gosh. My dogs are whatever. I don't even know if you guys can hear them, but with 500 subs 2 days ago, yeah, I know, it's great, it's crazy. Textbook maxing is the only way, trust. This kid. Who were the profs for 231 and 211 this semester? If you don't want to answer, that's fine. My professor for 231 is, how do I see this? I don't even know. I don't know her name. Something. I have no idea. I mean, I bet you can find it on Course Explorer. Oh, I can find it on registration. Spring 2024. Term not eligible for registration. View class schedules. Okay. This is fall. Where's spring 2024? Calc 2, lecture, instructor. This woman was my 231. 211, I had Scott. He was a fill-in for my original professor, but I had Scott, and I would also sit in on Tim Stelzer's lectures because I was bored. So I'd go to both lectures every single week. It actually helped me learn a lot, but yeah, what is your dream job? Any job where I get to learn and apply my knowledge to solve problems and get paid for it. Isn't clean code like not recommended by anyone? I have no idea. Just today I've come across one good critique of clean code. Yup. Not recommended. I've only seen negative reviews, but I've never, okay, let me see what you guys are talking about. Clean code. Has 4.7 rating, 6,000 reviews. Number 1 bestseller in software design and engineering, and number 4 in software testing, number 7 in software development. So I would say it's a pretty good book. I have not read it. Let's check the authors. Is an American software engineer, whatever. Yeah, whatever. I mean, the authors don't seem like anything special, but I mean, a lot of people like this book. I'm not personally going to read it. I have enough books, and yeah. Try reading for yourself or establishing an opinion. I would agree with that statement. Probably not going to read it. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not going to either. I already answered dream job. Sorry, but whatever. Tim Seltzer is one of my favorite professors ever. Yeah, he's great. All the physics professors are good. How are you able to study for long hours? Water and low-key, these are clutch. Look, let me grab these. If you're like ever tired, I don't drink caffeine, so Yeah, I just... Wait, what are you doing downstairs? These, vitamin C. 100% recommended. They're great. Okay, wait, I need to put my dog upstairs because the cats are out and they're gonna fight. Yeah, the dogs and the cats do not get along. We have 3 dogs and 2 cats, and they do not like each other. Yeah, those are fire. I just drink a bunch of water. You gotta eat good food. Don't eat like shit, otherwise, you're not gonna be able to focus. I got interested in computer science last summer. What college do I go to? I go to the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. I'm a freshman. Just finished my freshman year. Wait, maybe I'm a sophomore? I mean, I have sophomore standing, but like technically I think I'm still a freshman until I finish my summer semester. So because of the dedication, appreciate that. I'm finishing my bachelor's in CS in a few months. Yeah, that's fire. Good luck to you as well. Yeah, discrete math sucks, and I actually didn't do that well on the final, so we'll see if when they grade it. I mean, I definitely got above an 80, or I actually got above an 85. I know that for like a fact, but yeah, not ideal. I mean, I wanted 100, but I got a couple of the multiple choice questions incorrect. How long will you be on? I don't know yet. I might have some stuff to do. What's up, Ollie? Nice to see you again. Thanks for liking my streams, and I'm not in my dorm. I'm at home. Yeah. People in USA get jobs after college easily in computer science. I don't know. I've heard the job market is actually pretty tough right now, but if you have like undeniable skill, then I'm sure you have no problem getting a job. Yeah, of course, try to get better at interviews, apply to a bunch of companies. Gene, not true. He sent a pretty long message, so I don't know which part is not true, like specifically. Do you stay in dorms in weekdays and go home on weekends? No, I'm done. I'm completely done with school for the summer in Illinois, so I'm just at home for the summer. Finishing 3rd year, not bad. I was scared that discrete math was from an earlier year. Looked tough. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, you're asking me if I'm finishing my 3rd year? No, I'm finishing my 1st year, my 2nd semester. Not. Guess I'm just a broken record. Yeah, Ratish, what part is not true about Gene's message? No, it's fine. I've just said it a lot. So, yeah, America works. How, I don't even know what I'm gonna say. What's a good double major, CS plus stats or CS plus data science stats track? That's interesting. I'm from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. That's the state and city. Guess you didn't even ask for the city. CS plus econ or something. I personally would not recommend CS plus econ, but that is because I'm not interested in economics. So it really is dependent. Like, I mean, if you even don't, I mean, you don't even need to get a CS degree. You have to be like, what you get a degree in college, you have to be passionate about. So, I mean, whatever you're passionate about is what you should do. But what's more advantageous, CS plus stats or CS plus data science? I would say CS plus data science with maybe like a stats minor or stats track is going to be a little bit better, because data science is essentially like statistics, but very, very centralized around data. And data is very, very important nowadays. So you'll be able to get a lot of jobs out of that. And you can go into a bunch of different fields like data analysis, machine learning, if that's what you're interested in. You could even go into finance with, what do they call those? Quantitative trading. So yeah, CS plus data science I think would be a little bit more advantageous, and they're pretty similar. I think you'd be taking pretty much the same classes, except data science is more specialized. I've heard about Iowa, but I don't know what else you said. Yeah, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. CS plus gender studies is a good one. I don't know. I'm not interested in gender studies, so I wouldn't recommend. CS plus cooking. I like cooking. Not enough to study it though. What the fuck is gender studies? Gender studies is actually like a very hated on major, but for not like a really good reason. There are like a lot of majors that are really low return rate of return, but a lot of gender studies majors actually go on to become lawyers and get really good high paying jobs. So it's a little bit misconstrued, like what the gender studies major actually is. Taylor Swift studies. Do you have a fixed sleep schedule? I try to sleep from like 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. every single day. Now you guys are tweaking. Some random place. Yeah, I do live in a very random place. CS plus math. CS plus math is good if you're interested in math. But I think math is also a thing that people become really passionate about after learning it. So when you study it, you'll see maybe if you like it or if you don't, and you might want to switch if you don't like it. Wait, is that actually a real thing? LOL. Is what a real thing? Ollie. King Hat. I was mechanical engineering, then switched to CS. Oh crap, hold on guys. All right, so let's see what you guys are saying. What do you even learn in gender studies? A lot of things. What's the hardest topic you have ever studied? I don't know. The hardest for me? I don't really know. It wasn't, not much of it was really that hard, but, oh, there's a lot of messages here that I haven't read. I got so many extra math credits from my CS major. Yeah, it's a lot of math. The hardest topic, I mean, maybe like, no, physics was pretty straightforward. Discrete math was pretty hard, but yeah, I mean, I'm sure, I'll just say that I think that's going to be my lowest grade. I might have an A-, which is going to be super duper terrible. Yeah, not ideal. Yeah, you learn a lot of things. Seed gave the definition of it with that stuff or something. No, a lot of people go into law. They practice law after getting a gender studies major. It just teaches you a lot about critical thinking. So like you just see something and you think critically about it. It's very straightforward stuff, but I mean, there's a lot of repetition, rinse and repeat. And if you're thinking critically about a lot of different things, then like gives you an overall, like just a critical mind. And then you're able to like, you know, lawyer needs to be a critical thinker, of course. Do you have a study playlist? I do. Well, actually kind of. I use YouTube music, so it just gives me like automatic recommendations. And it like auto plays music. It's really fire. Never study anything that ends with studies. So useless, yeah. How is gender linked to religion? Yeah, I mean, it's very linked to all of that stuff. There's a bunch of intersectionality between them. If you take like at my school, you have to take gen eds, and when you take gen eds, you'll see there's a lot of intersectionality between all those subsets of like different things where we have discrimination of any kind. Yeah. In my country, there are 2 genders. There's 2 genders in the U.S. as well. Yeah, I don't think there are endless genders, or at least biological genders. There's not. That's kind of an argument against science, but people do have gender identities, and I think that might be infinite, but gender identities is very separate from genders that we would study in an institution. Very different. Do you recommend any book, videos, or something like that for someone who is a complete beginner in machine learning? Yes. Let me go to my bookshelf. So this book's pretty good, Mathematics for Machine Learning. If you're a complete beginner, though, this book might be a little too heavy for you. Like, let me just open up to a random page here. Like, it's a lot of math. I don't know if you can see that, but like this is very complex math. It kind of requires a prereq of like linear algebra and Calc 3, but some good books for absolute beginners. Machine Learning for Absolute Beginner. Oh fuck, I really got to put these links in, but Machine Learning for Absolute Beginners. My keyboard's not paired. Hold on. Okay, there we go. This book. Wait, no, not this book. No, not this book. Don't read that book. That book's ass. I remember reading that. Deep Learning for Coders. I mean, most of these books are not really for like really beginners, but this is like the most beginner-friendly video or book that I've read. There's tons of videos on YouTube if you want me to give you recommendations for that. Did you already map out your summer, or should I go back and watch? I'd like to see you. Yeah, whatever. No, I haven't. I'm working on that. I've kind of just been reading chat. So once I go like radio silent, then you'll know that I'm starting to do that. I'll probably start here in like 5 minutes or something. Do you have a take on differential equations? Oh, do I have to take? Yes, I do have to take it, and I heard it's like one of the easiest courses at my school. So I'm very, very excited for that. A- is terrible in discrete math. How? Yeah, I kind of, I don't know. I just didn't really want an A-. I guess it's not terrible, of course. It could always be worse, but it's not ideal. It's not what I was hoping for. It's not what I was striving to get, which sucks because I set a goal and I didn't reach it. So that's kind of why it sucks. I guess it's not terrible, like objectively, but for me, it's not ideal. Dan, people keep scaring me about discrete math, so I started scaring from right now. I don't know. I think the hate against discrete math is like, it's kind of overhyped. Like, it's not really that difficult. At my school, it's just poorly structured, which is the problem. But if you're sufficient and you can learn by yourself, then it shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, the U.S. has multiple ones, multiple genders, I assume you're talking about. But I already talked about that a little bit. Don't want to get too political on stream. Even though my political views are pretty agnostic, I still don't want to say anything. There's a difference between sex and gender. Yeah, that's just semantics. So I think that's the root of most arguments, is just semantics, and people don't know what they're saying. They have a lack of understanding of the English language. What's that problem of your website? I think I have the same issue before. Can you send the repo to contribute? Yeah, I guess you can contribute if you really want to. It's all on GitHub. So I'm just going to send my website because it's a lot easier. But if you go to my GitHub from my website, you can see all of my, here's my GitHub, and it's called Simple Website, but it's also down here, which is going to be a little bit, oh wait, it's not down here. Oh yeah, well this is the repo here, I think. Let me check. Yeah, this looks like it. 2 weeks ago. Yeah, this is it. 2 weeks, really? I thought I pushed like last week. Here's the repo specifically though, if you want the repo. But yeah, I sent my website as well. Fuck, I'm not caught up again. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, there's the repo, the difference. Yeah, ML after I'm done with my exams. Yeah, that's great. That's what I'm doing. Pattern recognition. Oh my gosh. You mean this? You mean this? You mean this, kid? Pattern recognition in machine learning by Christopher M. Bishop. Yeah, of course I have that book. I have every book. I gotta add that to my bookshelf on my website. I actually have ordered a bunch of new books, so I have a bunch of books I need to add. Yeah, I wanted to learn AI and machine learning. Guess I will read that book then. Yeah, it's a really good book. Really heavy though. So it's like a textbook. If you don't know, I mean, like just opening up to a random page, like there's triple integrals and a bunch of crazy math. So I would recommend learning the math first before you read it. But if you've taken Calc 1 through 3 and linear algebra, you should be fine. What's with the whole ML trend? Should I jump on it? No, you shouldn't unless you're passionate about learning it. You should not. You should just pursue what you're passionate about. Good luck, Aiden. I'll leave you to it. BB. All right, see you later, Seed. Learn the basics, at least how it works. Into a trend turned into something real. And if you were the only guy who didn't know anything. Yeah, exactly. Do you mind recommending me some videos or channels? Yeah, I can in a second. In terms of math, I think I'm good. I already took linear algebra, Calc 3, and statistics. Exactly. So those are only 3 courses you really need. So, yeah. Can you quickly change the size of messages to be sent here? I want to send one for you to read. Change the size of messages? I think you're going to have to ask somebody at Google to do that for you, because I don't know how to do that. I don't think the streamer has access to size of messages in chat. Wrong Gmail. Wrong Google. Let's see. So this should be the stream. Yeah, don't get canceled. Yeah, I'm not gonna get canceled. This is the wrong stream. What is going on here? Let's go out of here. Good luck, whatever. Yeah, I saw that. Thank you. I just opened the book about machine learning that you said. I don't see any math. There are only hieroglyphs. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. See, that's what I was saying. Like, it's very complex math. It's all mathematical notation as well. So it's very, very hard to understand. Like, literally, it's written like if you've taken discrete math, then you'll like learn it. But it's written in proofs, like mathematical proof language. So like it's like for x in real numbers, such that blah 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 whatever. Yeah, good luck. Yeah, what's your current math level? Calc 3, linear algebra, multivariable calc. I've taken Calc 1 and 2 officially. I've studied Calc 3 and I've studied linear algebra, but I haven't taken them through my university yet. I've been reading recently. Yeah, reading's fire. I have my bookshelf right next to me with all my books. Hey bro, how is it possible to study both MS, CS, and BS physics simultaneously? Yeah, so currently I'm doing that like through courses alone, but I'm trying to get it official. I have to email the university and get approval by the dean and the head of school, but I don't know. I don't think I'll have problems with that, but how I'm doing it is a lot of the classes that count for my bachelor's in physics also count for my master's in computer science, because I'm taking, my degree is like physics, let me look up, it's like computational physics, or like physics with a computer science track, so I have to take a lot of CS classes, and these CS classes will count for my master's as well. Since I'm in Granger, I can use them, I can interchange the credits between the master's and the bachelor's. I'm leaving here, bro. I just already subscribed. Thank you for liking and subscribing. That's great. See you later. Some of your videos are blocked in some countries. Yeah, no, they're all blocked in like every country, dude. It's crazy. Look at this. If I go to my lives, oh wait, hold on. Let me delete. Actually, I guess I don't have to delete those. Let me just sort, filter, visibility, public. Yeah, so all of my videos have copyrights on them, but some of them are partially blocked. Yeah, this is blocked in a couple countries. This is blocked. This is blocked. This is all because I was playing music. I didn't know that I wasn't allowed to play music. These are when I had like one viewer. So I don't know why they're blocking them. So I don't know. It's stupid. Please tell your dogs to stop barking. I know. I tried. I don't have dogs. I just have iShow speed. Solo squad. Solo squad. Yeah, exactly. Solo squad. Where's my? Oh, that was lives. Yo, who's trying to watch Solo Squad? Upcoming. It's upcoming stream. Oh, I see. I thought you need to complete BS before MS. Yeah, generally you do, and that's why I'm trying to get like approval from the university to let me take it. Can you see from where your current viewers are? I think I might be able to. Let me open this in. I don't know how to open this streaming dashboard. Yeah, I mean, this just opens the actual stream. I should be able to open, yeah, manage, there we go. Let's see how we can, let's see what statistics it gives us. Analytics. Views. No, yeah, I can't see where the viewers are from. Yeah, no. I don't think I can see where the viewers are from. I might be able to, like, in the actual YouTube studio. Let me delete this. I might be able to see in, like, actual YouTube studio, analytics, audience, unique viewers, see more maybe. Oh yeah, here we go. Geography. Okay, here. United Kingdom. Oh no, United States is number 1. And then United Kingdom. Yeah, these are the totals. This is for my previous videos, but I assume YouTube algorithm is pretty stagnant, so it should be the same. It's frustrating that you need to take full semester courses when you already know the subject. I actually enjoy that, so I get like a head start, which is great because then I can learn much, or I can get higher grades in the classes because I've already learned it. Duos, question mark, it's funny. What kind of music you usually listen to besides the study playlist? I listen to all sorts of music. It's kind of crazy. Coldplay's been really fire recently, so I listen to a lot of Coldplay. I would listen to unreleased Juice WRLD, but people aren't really onto that yet. They don't know. And jazz. I listen to a lot of jazz and classical music. Wait, you gonna make a Fortnite stream? I'm not gonna make a Fortnite stream. I do not have Fortnite installed. I'm from London, Londres. I assume Londres is like UK or something. Yeah, it's London. Yeah, it's the same thing. I leave my question on the last stream comment section. Can you be a little bit more specific than that? I assume it's the one. Then what is Solo Squads? It's old. It's old. It's really, really, really old. Probably 5 years ago, and I just never. I don't know what happened. I don't know why it's still there. How was Discreet? It was good. I think I got like a B+ or on the exam, which is not ideal. It's not good. It's because I started studying like 2 days before the exam, so I got what I deserved, but it's whatever. What's the class you're currently struggling the most? I'm not really struggling in any classes, but the class I'm going to have the lowest grade is discrete math, and that's because exams are worth 90% of your grade for some outrageous reason. And I average a 93 on exams right now, but since the final I got like a B+, it's going to bring down my average and bring me down to an A-. Nah, you know ball, listening to unreleased Juice WRLD. Yeah, unreleased Juice WRLD is so fire. I'm 2 days into college. That's funny. Is your GPA 4.0 yet? It is on Canvas. Well, it is technically right now. From the grades that I've received, I'm at a 4.0. But I am waiting for one more class, and we'll see if that breaks my 4.0 or not. If it does, I'm going to be at like a 3.9. So what inspired you to create a YouTube channel? I don't know. I mean, I've had a YouTube channel for like lots of years, but I started streaming just like, I don't even know, for fun, I guess. I watched a couple streams on YouTube already, so maybe that influenced me a little bit. I watched this guy. Well, I used to watch this guy. His name is George Hose. This guy, he does streams. I watched his one stream, the one where he made this one. I watched this stream, and it was pretty cool. So he didn't really influence me to start streaming, but like, I mean, I watched a bunch of streams, so yeah. Can you get higher than that or nah? Higher than what? I cannot get higher than a 91 on the exam. I cannot get higher than a 91 because some of the questions are auto-graded, and yeah, I cannot get higher than a 91 on the exam, but I'm waiting for my grade to be returned. I mean, 4.0. No, you can't get higher than 4.0 in college. It's not possible. You watch him a lot? Yeah, that's fire. I've seen like 1 or 2 videos of his, but yeah. This kid said he left a comment on one of my videos. And he asked a question. So let's see. I don't really look back at this stuff after I already posted it. I don't really look back, but we'll see. I need to start like actually doing work though. I haven't done anything yet. What Linux distro do you use? I'm on Ubuntu 24.04. latest LTS release. It's Debian Linux. Comments. Oh yeah, here it is. Is it very? I mean, my first name is Aiden. I don't mind being called Andrew, but my first name is Aiden. Starting this year in computer science. Okay, wait. I think I should maybe. Thinking of switching from Windows. Currently, I use WSL. Do you think it's worth it? It depends on what you. Hold on. I'm gonna read this first, and then I'm gonna answer questions. I do poorly on math fundamentals. Set theory. That sucks. Yes, this is not Pop OS. It is Ubuntu. Linux, Ubuntu. Yeah, see, people in the comments know what they're talking about. Okay, wait, let me respond to this chat, and then I'll respond to the... Damn, what the fuck, 35 viewers. What's up, Rob, bro? It's been a minute. We haven't talked in a while. And 150 extra subs. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. The one video got like 10K views. It's fire. I do not have merch, and I'm pretty sure that's what you meant to say is merch. I probably will not have merch. I have a clothing brand, but that's separate. Do you work out? I do. I went on a run this morning, and I'm gonna work out, like do weightlifting later today. Thinking of switching to Windows. I mean, I don't think you should ever switch OSs unless you have a reason, because it's gonna completely change like your entire world. I had a reason. I train neural networks on my computer, and I have like a 4090 and a Ryzen 9. So like, I obviously bought that stuff specifically to train machine learning models on my computer. And on Windows, my PC kept crashing when I was training like deep neural networks. And it was because Windows was sucking up all of my compute. Windows was using like 40% of my CPU for security. My RAM was pretty much useless. I basically had no RAM left after Windows was just using everything. And then WSL and Docker used just a bunch of resources. So I needed to switch to something that was a little bit more light on my hardware, and Linux is the best because it communicates straight with your hardware. It doesn't have to go in through any like proprietary things. I guess you have like your NVIDIA drivers, but other than that, Linux directly talks to your hardware, so it's a lot better and a lot faster. And I'm able to now train neural networks without having the issues from Windows using all my stuff. And WSL sucks, frankly. I don't really like WSL, but that's fine. I wouldn't switch from Windows to Ubuntu if I didn't have a crazy machine that can handle all of this stuff. I would have just like SSH'd into something or used Google Colab or something. Or virtual machines. I would have stuck with that. So that's the only reason I switched. I don't think you should switch unless you have like a bunch of time on your hands and want to get reoriented. And Ubuntu kind of sucks because, well, Linux just in general, because it doesn't even have close to as many users as Windows. So all of the proprietary software is going to be like, you're going to have to install it through like third-party open source apps, which kind of sucks. Yeah, pretty much. They don't even have like Outlook or Office or Microsoft 365 or even Notion. I'm using like open source Notion Mirror, I guess is what they call it. I don't even know. But yeah, so I wouldn't recommend switching unless you have like an actual reason. Bro, I hate how my school is because all CS classes closed, so it's annoying because we got no time to plan. Yeah, my school, if you're a James Scholar, you can like register for whatever you want and you get to register early. So I register early and I get to register for whatever I want pretty much. What'd be my dream job? Anywhere I get paid to learn and apply my knowledge to solve real world problems. Yeah, I've been traveling back and forth to the Bay/LA. That's sick. Minted, he said anything that makes him solve problems. Yeah, that is true. You're getting traction. The algorithm has chosen you. That's fire. I'm a Mac nerd. Mac is fire. Mac OS is the best OS. 100%. 100% Mac is the best OS. Switch from Windows. Anything is better than Windows. I would agree with that. Fireship, bro. Literally, bro. Me and Robert are the same person. I watch all Fireship's videos. Yeah, I just watched his video on. He's talking about this video. Watch this video. Mac versus Windows versus Linux. At the end, like, he actually has like a good thing. It's like, if you have enough money to afford Mac OS, don't even consider anything else because it is the best. It is superior. Mac OS is the best. But you have to have a lot of money because you need to get like an M3 or M2 chip, because if you get an Intel Mac, it's not going to have any process power and it's going to just suck. So you want to get a new Mac, which the new Mac's hardware is the best of the best. It's crazy. And then if you have a life, Windows, because it's easier. But I would never recommend Windows. Yeah, I think Windows sucks. Since what age did you start taking math and programming seriously? When I was 18, and that's like last summer. Yeah. Thank you, Ratish, for answering the questions. So in one summer, he got that good. Yes, that's true, exactly. 3% market share. For Linux, I think is what you're talking about. No, Windows is absolutely great. What do you mean it's bad? It's terrible. I'll go into more depth. Actually, I already went into depth. But Windows is terrible for programmers, yeah. What's your thoughts on solving leak code problems? Leak code's fire for coding interviews. I personally, and it is good for helping you solve problems. I personally don't have any need for leak code problems, but I mean, it's great. I've heard really good things about leak code. How did you get into ML? I really like math, and ML is a bunch of math and computer science. There's nothing wrong. It's just I always have problems. Yeah, I don't like Windows. Yeah, Fireship is fire, exactly. No, it is a preference to an extent. Mac and Linux are Unix based, so they are 100% just better for productivity, working with Git, working with the hardware that you have, and coding, because coding is you writing code that is translated into a language your hardware can understand and then executed. And all Unix based OSs work much better with the hardware. Mac OS specifically works best with the ARM hardware, which is what they have in their M series chips, and Linux works best with anything you can get your hands on. But no, for 100%, there is an advantage to using Linux or Mac OS opposed to Windows. But Linux is a lot harder to set up, so it depends on what your values are. But Linux will work better with any hardware that you have than Windows. That's why you have to. I'll get into it later. Let me read these comments. So it's not really a personal preference. If it wasn't for gaming and stream, Windows would be dead. Exactly. Oh, Steam, he said, yeah. If it wasn't for gaming, Windows would be dead, because you cannot game on Linux. It's not possible. Yeah, I got an M2 MacBook, so I think I'll just stick with, MacBooks are so good. They're amazing. M2 chip is so good, but it's not good for machine learning. But, I mean, nothing's good for machine learning unless you have, like, a 4090 is the only commercially available GPU that you can really use to train machine learning models. Otherwise, you should just use Google Colab or some virtual machine. It's much simpler, much easier. The specs of my Mac, I have the M3 MacBook Pro with all the specs, everything maxed out, besides for storage, because I have iCloud storage. Yo, how's it going? That's advice you gave about dopamine detox and staying away from applications with addictive algorithms really helped me out. Yeah, of course. You gotta stay away from that stuff. Why are you studying both physics and CS? What do you want to do eventually? I enjoy physics and I enjoy computer science, and that's the sole reason that I'm studying both of those. What do I want to do eventually? I I don't know. I don't know what I want to do eventually. I'm just gonna say that. I kind of answered it a bunch of times previously, but I'm not gonna go into the whole thing again. My last job required, Windows sucks, blah, blah, blah. That's all he's saying. Too bad Linux sucks, even though I use it when comparing battery life. Yeah, Linux does suck, kind of, for user experience. I'm trying to switch for programming, but I need work with a lot of it. Oh, if you work with Adobe software, do not switch. Do not switch. I don't even think about switching. You cannot use any Adobe software on Linux easily. It's going to be terrible experience. If you can dual boot, that would be ideal. That's what I do. But I never go into Windows ever. But you can dual boot and have all your Adobe stuff on Windows and then have your programming stuff on your Ubuntu. Old school companies, Windows sucks because it's cheap. Yeah, it sucks. It's terrible. But I love it for dev work and studying. But I had 4 hours on Windows, and now I have 2 hours with Mint Linux, even with tip. What are you saying for battery life? Is that what you're saying? Whose side are you on, Kendrick or Drake? LMAO. I'm not really caught up with that whole situation. I have to go on. I haven't been on social media in a while, so. Then what is the ultimate operating system for programming and personal use? Mac is the ultimate software, and I think that's commonly agreed upon. It has all of the proprietary software you could ever need, which is the reason why you wouldn't use Linux. It's better than Windows for all the reasons that I've already listed. It's essentially better than Windows for all the reasons that Linux is better than Windows, and then it's better than Linux for all the reasons that Windows is better than Linux. So it's just a win-win, and user experience is so amazing on Mac. It's the only computer where you can just buy it, press the power button, and everything works exactly how you want it to. Everything works. You're never gonna have any problems, and if you do, you just call Apple and they'll fix it easily. If you have Apple Care, if you throw it down the stairs, they'll give you a new computer. You just have to pay a little fee, but it's great. It's great. I love Mac, and it's commonly agreed upon as the best for personal use and programming. For programming specifically, I would use Linux, and that's what I use Linux for, really. And I guess I stream on here as well. But certain OSs do have advantages in different areas. If you're gaming, if you ever play any video games, you can pretty much only play video games on Windows. Linux does not support any proprietary software to download video games, really, and Mac is Mac. It's not built for gaming. It just sucks at gaming. Wow, that must have been like over 5K. For my laptop was around $4,000. I think that's what you're talking about. If you're talking about my PC was very, very expensive, but I got some of the stuff paid for, so it was fine. Cybersecurity, cybersecurity, just personal prep at the end of the day. If you're a 10x programmer on Windows, then use Windows. Yeah, that's true. The best OS is whatever you're used to. Essentially, that's true. How do you study? You can watch me study, and you see how I study. Not much studying today. I gotta do my road mapping. Okay, let me put it on my screen so that I actually do it at some point. Though I think it's because Linux is more for older hardware for stronger battery life. I got a gamer laptop, so it might be that Windows optimizes the hardware in Mac OS. Mac is the best for work-related stuff. Gonna upgrade my MacBook soon. That's a great idea. Have you learned how to use SPSS and SQL in your courses yet? And if so, how have you been studying it? I have not, and I don't plan on using either of those anytime soon. I probably will never take a course that covers that stuff. I'm just not really interested in data science. Machine learning is not data science anymore, so I do not worry about data science. And actually, on my recent project, I had someone who was working with the data and doing all the data science, and I solely did the machine learning aspect, and that's how I plan to do everything. I do not want to do data science. Just buy a desktop, then a MacBook, win-win, LMAO. That is exactly what I have, and it is perfect. It is so amazing. I just use on my Mac to train my models. I just SSH into my desktop, and everything works so well. Linux and Mac work so well with each other. Linux getting better for games because of Steam Deck, by the way. Yeah, I don't know. It'll never catch up to Windows, but yeah, maybe it's getting better. I don't know. I'm not really focused on that. I don't know why, but I don't like Mac OS UI. That's crazy take. That's a crazy take. Even I like Windows more on that end for me. That's crazy. All right, see ya, SB. How did you get started with ML? I got started with math, and then it transitioned into me just studying machine learning, because that's a lot of math. It's just applied. It's essentially just applied calculus, linear algebra, and statistics. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me read this text message real quick. Okay. All right. Let's see what was going on. Yeah, data sheets are boring as fuck. Got a university module on it right now. Tragic stuff. It's funny. A lot of people do like it though. I have a lot of friends going into data science. It's pretty sick, but I just personally am not overly interested in it. I took an ML class and we had to create and work with a attrition model, use like some Kaggle data sets. It was interesting, but I don't know if it was for me. Yeah, that sounds great. A lot of people like a lot of different things. It's good that you're able to recognize that, because machine learning has become like a trend. So obviously curb your enthusiasm if you're only enthusiastic because of a trend. Go into what you're genuinely passionate about learning. Like envision yourself sitting down for a prolonged period of time just studying one thing. And if you don't necessarily enjoy what you're studying, then you don't want to do it, because that just sucks. Like me, I love studying machine learning. I'm studying machine learning for fun, and it's what I do in my free time. So that's how I know that that's what I want to learn and what I want to do. And same with physics. I love physics. I love talking about physics, and I love studying physics. And that's how I know I want to do those two things. But there are some subjects where it's like me sitting down and studying it is a chore, and I do not enjoy it. And those subjects I try to stay away from. Blasphemy at Mike. What did Mike say? Oh yeah, that the UI is better. That is crazy. I mean, yeah, it's all personal preference. Whoa, now that is a crazy take, because I would argue that the Mac file system is just objectively better than Windows. Bro, like look, if I was on if I was on Windows and I wanted to CD into like something in my program files, you're like CD C:, oh fuck, wait, hold on, I gotta wait for my keyboard to pair. This is so stupid, bro. Okay, whatever. I love web development, and I'm so glad I switched from CyberSec to CS. Yeah, that's sick. What's going on? Mac uses a Unix-based file system. Yeah, it's fire. Bro, look, this is Windows. POV, I'm using Windows. C:, I think they use backslashes here too. Program, files, x86, parentheses, backslash, whatever. Look at that. That's terrible. Look at what Linux looks like. All Unix file systems. Look at this. Look how clean that is. If you press ls in your root directory on Windows, you just get a bunch of gibberish and backslashes. No one wants to deal with any of that stuff. I hate the structure of Windows file system. How much percentage of learning in ML did you get from college and from self-studying? I've learned 0% from university yet. I don't have the prerequisites to take the classes, so everything I've learned is from self-study. It's very well structured and easy to explain to beginners. Write Linux directory structure explained for beginners. Yeah, you wouldn't have that keyboard problem on Mac. I would not. You're completely correct. Mac is so amazing. But I'm gonna wire my keyboard in soon. I just need a USB extender because my PC is far from my keyboard. Okay, I need to do this roadmap. My setup's so fire, dude. I love it so much. At Apple, get Pro a paid sponsorship. Yeah, no, a lot of people say I'm an Apple glazer. And I don't know. I guess I am like an Apple glazer, but yeah. No, Apple's fire. How do you learn ML from self-studying, like starting with Python, learning math? I would say learn math, and then Python. Once you become a programmer, which I don't think I'm a programmer, but once you become like sufficient with coding, which I've gotten from university specifically, from all my CS classes, Python's just English. Like if you look at a piece of Python code, my main language is C++, but if I look at Python, like it's very easy to understand, and I feel like I could write Python without studying it one day in my entire life. So I think you should learn Python last. Learning the math is the most important, because if you don't know the math, you're just going to be completely confused. And then I guess you can learn like algorithms after that. Are you a visual learner? There's no such thing as a visual learner. You should watch this video. Veritasium visual learner, I think is what I titled it. No, he said like okay, wait, hold on. Oh wait, it's because it didn't do what I asked it. Yes, the biggest myth in education. Watch this video. I'm not a visual learner. I'm just a learner, and I learn what I'm passionate about. And there's a lot of free resources online, like Coursera. Yes, there is. The Coursera course is actually pretty good. They just like charged me an insane amount of money, and I had to get it all refunded because I never took a Coursera course, but I guess I had a subscription by accident. Wait, what? They have a UIUC course? Finish in 12 months? This is how much it costs. You can get a master's degree from Coursera. That's kind of sick. Oh, you have to apply. That's funny. Yeah, Coursera is a great course. Their Andrew NG course. Here, let me... Andrew. Yeah, this course is great. It's a great introduction to machine learning. If you've never taken machine learning, you should look at Andrew NG's courses. Great stream, Elsa Olsen. Thank you. Thanks, kid. I think it was about photographic memory. What was about the video? Yeah, photographic memory is great. It's a skill you can develop. I remember watching his videos back in high school. Physics, damn, bro. Oh yeah, Veritasium, so fire. What's your program? What program? You have to be a little bit more specific. There's a lot of programs in my life. Yeah, if you're talking about computers or like what, I don't know. Don't you have problems like creativity, procrastination, not studying, laziness, doubting? So I think doubting is the easiest thing to like, or maybe doubting, I don't even know. I do have those problems, but I don't let them affect my ability to study and learn. What's the best Coursera course for front end? I have no idea. I'm sure you can Google that exact question. Just copy and paste what you just put in chat and Google it, and you'll have like infinite responses, and it'll be great, and you'll be able to find something really good to learn. Creativity is a big problem, but that can be learned. So creativity can be learned. Procrastination has to be just like completely avoided. Yeah, I don't know. Not studying kind of goes into procrastination. Laziness, I don't ever have laziness, but that's because like I have a lot that I need to get done, and I would like to get it done in a short amount of time. So I can't be lazy. Otherwise, the things that I want and my goals will not be achieved if I was ever like being lazy. And I guess that kind of helps curb my procrastination. Doubting though is a big thing, and that needs to be worked on. You can have friends, just doing a lot of stuff where you can see tangible results from your work helps a lot with doubting. So like just studying a lot, getting good scores on exams will help with doubting. But yeah, doubting is terrible, and it's very hard to overcome that. And yeah, that's like mental. You need to maybe see a therapist if it gets bad enough, if it gets like so bad. But I don't think you should ever doubt yourself. You should think you're capable of doing whatever you want, whenever you want. I think companies would care more about the school name, even if Coursera is good. It gives boot camp vibes. I think companies care about, I mean, sure, getting the first interview is about maybe what your resume looks like, what school you went to. But after you get your first interview, all they care about is how good you are at what you claim to be good at. Like, they're going to ask you coding questions, and they're going to interview you and ask you specific questions. And if you're not good and you can't answer their questions, no matter what university you went to, they're not hiring you. So I think to get your foot in the door, going to a prestigious university is good, but after you get your foot in the door, all they care about is your effectiveness and how smart you are. So, or not how smart you are, but like how good you are at what they want you to be good at. So yeah, they care about school name, but only to a certain extent. I mean, as you see, like Twitter fired like 50% of its employees, and that was because those employees were useless. They didn't care what school they went to. They just fired them because they were not providing any value to the company. So you can learn all that at a boot camp. It might be harder to get your foot in the door, but if you are adamant about learning and you're good at learning, then you'll be able to work and work well and get paid a lot of money for working if you're able to solve hard problems. For me, learning web development, yeah, the Odin project is the go. Are you planning to go into industry or academia? I'm going into industry, but after I study a lot from a lot of different universities. Are you planning? Oh yeah, I meant like, what's your major in uni? I'm physics undergrad, and then planning on doing a PhD in machine learning, and I'm doing a master's in computer science. Being passionate about a topic can also help avoid things like motivation. Yeah, exactly. It's way too good already on the JavaScript portion. Yeah, the course I'm think. What do you think of a full stack dev? I'm not a full stack dev. I've heard there's a lot of good jobs for full stack devs. Yeah, I'm not really hip to that. I'm on the CSS. Yeah, that's actually a really good plan. Be a monk for 21 days. They teach you a lot of great things. So I think that would actually be good. I want to do that, but I don't have time to do it right now because I just don't have 21 days of free, like not doing anything. I would fall behind. I guess if I wasn't taking summer courses, I could go do a monk for 21 days. That would be fire. That's great. Yeah, that's my dream. Yeah, don't compare yourself to others. Exactly. Take the time to do the resources. Yeah. Where would you like to do your PhD? I want to become a Rhodes Scholar and do it at Oxford. But how do you find passion? That's just rinse and repeat, just a bunch of iteration. Just keep studying different things, and whatever is the easiest to study, I guess, is your passion. This is Notion, this app. This is Notion. Yeah, I need to do my tasks for... What is this selected? I have 0 selected. Yeah, I need to do my tasks for. No, yeah, I don't even know how to do this. Hold on. Let me delete these. Yeah, let me see what Oxford, that's where I'm going, G. That's fire. How old are you? I'm 19. OS is smooth. Yeah, this is Ubuntu. Yeah, finding your passion is the hardest part, but I believe in you. You can do it. You organize your days so well and plan it and execute it perfectly. What some tips for it? Find a good software. I'm using Notion, and I'm gonna plan out everything. Just ended uni. I need to take Calc 2 in the summer. Do you think it's possible? I got a B plus in Calc 1. I personally got a B plus in Calc 1 as well. Only because I got a bad score on the first exam. I got a 90 on the second exam, a 91 on the third exam, and then a 93 on the final. Or maybe I got a 90 on the final. I don't really remember. But only because my first exam I did very, very poorly, and it was not possible for me to get to an A, even if I got 100 on all of the exams. So it's pretty nuanced getting a B plus in Calc 1. Like, if you're like me, it was very easy for me to get a good score in Calc 2 because I just didn't make the same mistake I did on the first exam in Calc 2. So whatever mistakes you made in Calc 1 that got you to a B plus, just don't make those mistakes again. And you should be fine. I think Calc 2, for me, was a lot easier than Calc 1. Do you work or study full time? I study full time. I'm waiting on internships maybe, but I don't think I'm going to do any internships this summer because I have a lot to study. Oh, and I do, I guess, work full time because I own a company. Yeah, I own a clothing brand and I work. That's funny, Drew. I don't know if you're still watching, but that's hilarious. Do you have any tips on how to maintain / keep a high GPA? That's hilarious. Are there any tips? Yeah, just study a lot. You will get what you deserve on the exams. I know that's hard to hear because you may think that you study a lot, but if you aren't studying well and you're not studying for long enough, you will not do well on the exams, and that's just how it works. So if you're studying really, really hard and you're still not receiving the rewards you think you deserve, then you're just not studying well enough. So you need to start pursuing resources like maybe office hours, meeting with the professor, doing a whole bunch of other stuff. But you will receive the scores that you deserve, and if you believe that, then you should have enough motivation to study and do well in your courses, and I think that's the best way to keep a high GPA. If you already have a lot of those things, like those tendencies, then I would say make sure you just space out your studying. If you continuously study over the entire semester, then you will not have to like cram for any exams, which I think is really great. So that's like one tip. And then another tip is, just like make sure you do well on everything. So for me, like I make it apparent, like if I go to Calc, for example, in my Calc, if we go to my grade composition, I try my very best on absolutely everything. So WebAssign homework, they give you extra credit for turning in early. I do it every single week. I do it 105% every single time. WebAssign quizzes, 105% every single week. Even though each individual assignment only adds up to like 0.01% of your final grade, those points add up and they make a difference. So like it's a lot easier to get like a 95 in the class. Like, see, I got an 86 on the final, which sucks. It's not. I'm gonna request a regrade because I think I got a 90, and I should get my points back. But like, if you see, like I get 100, like I max out everything that I can possibly max out. I do not miss a single discussion section, and then I do well on my exams, and I can do. It didn't even matter how well I did on my final because I could have gotten a 59 and still maintained an A in the class. So that's like a big thing is like just make sure you have the highest points in all the easy stuff, because the easy stuff will like add up and it'll help you a lot. And like once you have like all these hundreds and everything in the grade book, then you'll be chilling. First semester, I was slacking. I was like, oh, homework's not worth anything. I'm not going to do this homework. Oh, attendance, yeah, I guess I'll just skip this week because it won't affect my overall grade. But like, if you stop doing that and you just do everything diligently, it all just falls into place and you'll have a high GPA. Thanks, man. Have a good stream. Thank you. Any tips for students who messed up 11th grade and want to be good at 12th? Yeah, I mean, just continue studying. You got to realize though, like mentally, doing bad in 11th grade is not that big of a deal. So overcoming that you should try to make it as easy as possible in your brain, because 11th grade does not matter that much. 12th grade also doesn't matter that much. So I would just say put your all into it and make sure you do very, very well. And don't stress yourself out, and don't think anything like, oh, I'm too far gone, or like I've messed up. There's no coming back. There's always coming back. Just make sure you have progression and don't make the same mistakes that you did the year before, because that's just foolish, right? Making the same mistake twice. So what are we doing when we get to 100K or 1K subs? So I'm getting too advantageous. Or I guess it's not even really the right word, but I'm getting too ahead of myself. What am I doing when I hit 1K subs? I don't know. I'll do whatever the top comment says. So what's with the Guts profile picture? Dude, Guts is fire. I love Berserk 1990, I think is the year it was released. Whatever, the old Berserk is like one of the best animes of all time. Honestly, if I haven't done the extra credits in my data structure, I would have gotten it. Yeah, exactly. The extra credit, always do every single extra credit. I mean, you can't complain. Like when you get your final grade in the class, you cannot complain about your grade if you did not try absolutely everything to get the highest grade possible. Like if the end of the semester rolls around and I'm like, oh, I didn't do the extra credit, but I'm going to complain that I got a B+, that's stupid. I can't complain that I got a B+ because I did not try my hardest to get the best grade possible. If I tried my hardest, all the extra credit would be done. All the homework assignments would be done on time. All the attendance would be gotten. You just have to put your all into everything, and then everything falls into place. What's your thought on the people who say college is a scam, don't go to college? I would say look at the statistics. There's no argument to be had there. Literally there's not a single argument. I'm not even going to argue it because it's foolish. It's stupid. It's dumb. It doesn't make any sense. Percentage. Let's just do 100K earners college. I'm just using keyword search. It says, okay, for 25, blah, blah, blah. Okay, in the same year, the median earners for income with 50 or 55% higher than earnings who completed high school. So look, people who have a bachelor's degree, 55% higher earnings per year than people who don't have a bachelor's degree. And they will continue. Millionaires. Oh, look at that. Look at that number. Research has found 88% of millionaires graduated from college and 52% have a master's degree. Okay, so let's see. What other statistics could you possibly pull out that says going to college is not worth it? There's not one. I mean, I guess it depends on what your degree is, but going to college overall is very, very advantageous and it's almost guaranteed to make you more money than if you didn't go to college. Oh, we can do billionaires too. This is gonna be a little bit less. 22% went on the master's degree. Wait, can I see how many? Okay, I have to pay to view that. It's stupid. I mean, we can go down the list of billionaires. Elon Musk went to college. Bill Gates went to college. Jeff Bezos went to college. Larry Ellison dropped out but went to college, and he went to my school actually. Warren Buffett went to college. Like all these people went to college. Mark Zuckerberg got into Harvard. It's the hardest school, one of the hardest schools to get into in the country. I mean,
just so lame. Like,
I'm talking to my chat about how going to college is very, very worth it. They asked me, someone said, how do you address like the people who say college is a scam? They're idiots. It's so stupid. And you can't even become like most careers don't even allow you to become them unless you have a college degree.
and who do people use
You
as an
cannot
example?
become a doctor.
Who do they use as an example? They always say, who didn't go to college?
Andrew Tate, maybe.
Or
Did he go to college? Grant Cardone. He didn't go to
someone
college.
didn't go to college. They always say that. I'm like, okay, that's one in how many people?
Yeah,
that
literally
didn't go?
one person.
Dude, like people who didn't, what's his name? Mark Zuckerberg, did he go to college?
He went to Harvard.
He went to Harvard.
Yeah.
He's the one who went to Phillips Exeter.
I'm a freshman. He went to Phillips Exeter. Yeah.
Like, yeah, he went to Phillips Exeter, then Harvard. Okay, but even if he didn't go to college, he went to Phillips Exeter. Right?
Yeah. Should we have to study like 10 to 12 hours or just need to 4 hours consistently? 4 hours consistently is fire. Is there degree apprenticeships in America? Yes, there are. That is a better option for some people. You're going to unsect Charlie Kirk. I don't know who that is. Only people arguing that slept all through high school. Exactly. Zuck dropped out of Harvard. Exactly. Yes, even Andrew Tate went to college and graduated. I didn't even know that.
He went to where?
Andrew Tate went to college and graduated.
Damn. And he made all his money illegally.
Yeah, he pretty much did. Oh yeah, he went to university. Whatever. This is what it says. High school. I don't know what either of these are. Luton Sixth Form College. Oh, Andrew Tate went to Hustlers University.
Oh. But you definitely can't be a doctor. You definitely can't be no lawyer.
Those aren't even questions.
Business. Okay, a business. You can start a business.
That's the only, you don't have any options if you don't go to college.
Yeah.
Yeah, start a business. That's your
That's
only
it.
option. Oh, I guess computer science as well, but barely.
Yeah,
It's
how
a
you
lot.
gonna
It's a
learn how to
lot
do it,
harder. It's a
yeah.
lot harder. Is there coping mechanism? Look at children's approval there. Yeah, yeah. Anyone who says college isn't worth it definitely sends their kids to college. So, yeah, college isn't worth it if you go if you're planning on being in the military. That's like the only time.
At the same
And
time,
even military pays for your college.
I was about to say, why even go to the military? Their main thing is paying for college.
Okay, wait, I need to plan this out. Okay, so how do I write tasks? Oh, here we go. Project tasks. Okay.
What the hell is
What?
Matrix?
Yeah. This doesn't say research. Oh, book. There we go. Oh, wait, let's make it like read research papers. Progress, in progress. Tags, nope. Priority, medium.
But dude, ain't no one goes to Kennedy.
Oh yeah, prom.
Yeah, name a person that goes to Kennedy.
Like there was just no one there that you knew.
Yeah, I knew Cyrus. And Nick Coolidge. Yeah, my date was big. I haven't talked to her since.
Did she spend the night?
Did I?
Did she?
Yeah, I think so. With her friend.
Oh yeah. Read. Random forest regression from scratch.
She like it.
Yeah. He does. Tyler said a lot of his friends say that he looks like Grumpy Cat.
Hell yeah, you do. Well, how did he like this?
Yeah, I would agree with Robert. What Robert said.
They'll eat that.
Does
Whatever
Notion good? Feel like you spend more time customizing than being productive. Yeah, I mean, I'm here for fun, so I don't need to be ultra productive on Notion. How do I get a girlfriend? If I knew that, I would have a girlfriend.
Righteous man will be given unto a righteous woman, and evil woman will be given to a evil man. Something like that.
What's your favorite film? La La Land. Do you know what that is? It's so good. Ryan Gosling.
Mine is Book of Eli. Or the Planet of the Apes trilogy.
This nigga said Book of Eli, bro.
You seen it?
No.
So fire. Bro, it's about like what is it? Like doomsday happened and like everything's nuked and stuff and there's one Bible left in the world. And this guy, like they're trying to kill him, but he has to like deliver the Bible somewhere. It's weird.
Oh, we need to get the signature. We need to sign
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's one of the reasons I came over here.
sign the,
I know I'm not doing anything, but I'll still sign.
what was it? I think it's like non-disclosure.
It's like a business. What do they call it? A business. They said a business associate.
HIPAA compliance.
A business associate's degree.
I think that's how you spell it. HIPAA.
Who is getting all this fruit?
Those are mine. Okay, there we go. Yeah.
HIPAA.
And then get data. We're gonna do gather current patient data. That's what you can do. Current patient data. We need to gather current patient data, like directly from the patients. Like, so you go into the office and talk to the patients. Oh, research for research. This should be, research for research. When did this end? Oh, this should all have been in the research project. These tasks. Oh, shit. Wait, can I move them? Can I move them?
Oh.
Shit. I think I can. Let me make a temp here. Yeah, there. Let me just do that. Can I move it here? Don't remove. Okay, there we go. Don't remove. Okay. There we go. And now these tasks are not in here anymore. They're in here. Yeah. Oh wait, so those two can actually go back into here. They're not started. Read research papers and develop plan. And I guess maybe this can go in here. Fuck. Develop plan, read. These can go here. Don't remove. Let's remove this though. And let's remove this. Okay. We can just get rid of priority tagging. We don't need to do that. Okay, physics. In progress. Send transcripts to math science at Kirkwood.
Oh yeah, they start Monday.
Is Monday the 20th?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm picking up chem too.
You're gonna take chem? They have chem 1 over the summer?
Wait, no, they actually wait, do they? I think they might have.
If they have it, then I might take it. Because I do not want to do it through my
Dude,
university,
'cause I'm
actually.
not enough credit. I've already been so bored this summer. Like,
I need to find the syllabus.
yeah, you can be hella
Oh, I need you to read this text from the manufacturer. Dude, I don't know what I'm gonna do. They essentially, I don't think they forgot it. I think they're out. So originally, they ran out of sweatshirts. Like I ordered too many, they ran out of sweatshirts. And then she just texted me and she said they're missing 13 black hoodies from my shipment, which is like $1,000 of clothes. And wait, no, that's not true. It's not $1,000. It's $260 worth of clothes. And they're asking me if we want to use these sweatshirts. They have like different sweatshirts that they can use. But I don't want to do that. Bro, I just put on one of the sweatshirts yesterday and I was like, holy shit, like this is great. This is comfortable.
My dad was like, he was like, the material y'all use are so fire.
I put it with I had no shirt on underneath, and it was like the greatest thing I've ever worn in my life. And I don't know if I want to order sweatshirts that aren't like that.
Hello? I had to give it
Yeah, I always leave her undelivered. Why do you use Linux? Because I train neural networks on my computer, and I can't use Windows to do that. It sucks. You pay for your summer classes. I have. So what do we do? Should I just ask for a refund, or should I?
I'd take a refund. Oh, should I take organic?
Or should I order these
4.5.
Yeah, dude, physics is 5 credit hours. It's ridiculous. I don't know. Is Bro playing basketball with the tennis ball behind you? LOL, probably. Does your brother go to college too? He does.
Wait, summer. I got university.
What is your opinion on the kinematic equations? You mean, what is my opinion on the kinematic equations? They exist, and I use them to solve kinematics problems. They're the law, and you have to use them. F equals ma.
Yeah, they got it. Hold on. I think they do. Oh, that's so much.
Says, how old were you and your bro when y'all started making these plays? Y'all really ahead for real. When we were 18, pretty much last year. What year are you currently? I'm a freshman and my major is physics.
No, they don't got it. I want to take organics, bro. Organics is so fun.
Syllabus.
But you know, like people like literally kill themselves over organic chemistry.
Yeah. Also, get ahead.
Trigonometry.
So when calc and gen can start, workload.
What's trigonometry and analogy?
Don't take trigonometry. It's
Analogy,
the most useless math class in the history of
What's
math
5
classes.
credits?
It's useless. It's useless class. I never took trigonometry or pre-calc, and they were both have proven to be completely useless.
Take pre-calc,
I never took pre-calc in my life.
actually.
Yeah, never in my life.
When did you
I
take
took
calc?
AP Calc sophomore year. Write research paper. Oh, should we just get it research paper templates?
They literally have
Latex.
on Google Docs, I think.
No, Google Docs sucks. You have to write it in latex.
They have them.
Okay. This is a good one here. This is a good one.
Wait, so how much did you take? How much credits did you take spring?
20. I took 20 credit hours in the spring.
20.
Yeah.
Was it light or what?
Yeah, it was pretty light.
That's crazy.
Oh. Spam risk, not answering. No, yeah, I don't like this. Okay, so if you find a look, I'm gonna do attention is all you need. Apex. Let's download the source. Huh. It gives me a default directory. Schedule, miscellaneous, Notion, calendar, PND, images, replace, Avix, I can stay out here. Oh, there's 2 of them. This goes in miscellaneous. Okay, how do I open this? Open with, can I open it with VS Code? Where's VS Code? Shouldn't it just be called code? Nope. Wait, do I not have VS Code installed? Oh no, I do. What's going on? Oh, there it is. Yes, I trust the authors. No, yeah, this is bad. Okay, let me see. Overleaf. Login. Yeah, I mean, sure, just use this email. Accept, new project, upload, select a zip file. Interesting. Downloads. Okay, well, actually, it's not a zip, but whatever. Wait, so why is this zip not? Oh, because maybe I put it in. Oh, no, it's right there. Select. You can only upload zip. Wait, I thought these essentially were zips. Okay, wait, let me miss this. Skip. Let me just delete it. As a gzipped tar file. Many of the formats above are served gzip. Does anyone know how to zip it normally? Compress? Yeah, can I do that? Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Robert. I bet. Bet. Here's our research paper.
Oh, that's general chemistry too. Okay.
Just have to erase all of this text and replace it with our own. Alright, bet. Yeah, I use Overleaf for my resume too. Building resumes in LaTeX is so much better. Should we just say, I mean, maybe I should just get a template because templates might be a little bit easier. Let me try this. What happened? Nope. Okay, everything. I keep seeing this one. Full title. Let me see this one. Look at these equations, bro. But these aren't even formatted. This isn't really formatted. When did you start programming? Last summer. We need to boycott Cognition Labs. Anyhow, they get the funding to build the proper software developer. I'm gonna end up pushing them. No, don't boycott Cognition Labs. What they're doing is great, but they are fake. They're fake. They don't actually, the demo that they posted was fake. The thing doesn't actually work that well. Check out the Reddit page on Cognition Labs. Okay, hold on. I don't want to use any of these templates though, because people are gonna be like, oh, we just use a template. Because these are like the first thing that pops up when you Google a template. So I'll just look at Averick's papers. Okay. Yeah, it is. They are not. They're not. They don't even have anything. Cognition Labs. Reddit. It's fake. It's fake. It's fake. Let's see what the comments say. Yeah. Yeah, it's all fake, bro. Can't they use Devin to make a better one? Actually, I don't think their website's that bad. I like the simplicity. Yeah, but the waitlist is stupid. Come work with us. At least they're hiring. Yeah. It's such a scam. They scammed. But that's what, like with all the AI startups. It ain't gonna end up being the last programmer gotta save the world. The last airbender. Alright, let me go into visual editor here because I kinda wanna see this. Where is all this stuff at? Can I know what file this is? Document class article. Oh, ms.text, code editor. Oh, here. This is everything. Oh, equal contribution listing order is random. Wait, where does it? Provided. Yeah. Delete that. Yeah, so we're here. We want to erase. So we want to leave Elia. We'll just leave Elia and that's it. Or we'll leave these two. Right? What is a star? I don't really know what this means. Equal contribution, listing order is random. Jacob proposed replacing RNNs with self-attention. Okay, I mean this isn't even anywhere. I don't understand. Okay. What's going on? Anish? Why is Anish still here? It should be Lucas Kaiser. Where's Ashnish? Where does his name come from? Nowhere. Her name comes from nowhere. Oh, from Google Brain? Oh, this. Oh, is this when is this like a hover or something? Let me go to Avrix. Okay, dude. But this is so stupid. Can I just see the freaking paper, bro? History. There. View PDF. So what is this? I think it's like a hover or something. I mean, I guess I'll just take it with. I'll just put my name here. But I don't know what this \thanks is. Yeah, it does change that. Yeah, I have. I looked at it a little bit, Robert. Okay, wait. I'm gonna ask chat. Wait, how big was the file I just copied? 414. Yeah, this was fine. Where's Google Chrome? Sean Beck is typing. What? What is this? Whatever. What did he say? He's going to the Y. I'll go to the Y.
Kenzie back in town, and me and Dylan ran 32 with him.
What's 32?
Like 21.
Wait, Kenzie Reed?
Yeah. He didn't even go to college.
Oh,
He
what?
dropped out.
Kenzie Reed dropped out?
Because he went to Upper Iowa, and he said it was too boring.
Too boring. So he dropped
It was
out.
all white, so he dropped out. I think he went to community college, but I don't think he
Wait, Upper Iowa's 4-year?
Yeah. Oh, man, I'm going to say where at. Should we pull up?
Yeah, we should. Were you skilled in programming before starting your course? No, I was not. Balancing trying to learn it while studying for my last test. They'll teach you everything you need to learn, so you shouldn't have a problem with that. I did open the ML book.
I didn't even hear you.
Andrews. Do you fully understand papers like attention is all you need? Of course not. No one fully understands those besides for the people who write them. But it's great learning.
That mic is fire.
It sounds good?
That shit sounds crispy as fuck.
Bro, but the problem is this. Look,
Hear me?
wait for this. Wait, was it like really loud? Bro, it like breaks the mic. Bro, I'm telling you, it's this banging. Yeah, it sounded like a bomb. Yeah, exactly. Oh, sorry, I forgot. There's no heads up.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what chat says.
Let me call Sean.
The thanks command and all this. Yeah, footnotes for additional information. Yeah, but where typically appear at the bottom of the first page? Oh. Oh. There it is. Oh. I was like, where is this information at? But it is at the footnotes. Yeah, okay. So I could actually use that. Yeah, I could read the documentation, or I could just ask chat. It's essentially the same thing at this point. Yeah, sounded like a bomb. Yeah, that's so bad. Yeah, ear rape was lethal. Oh, I'm gonna get banned. We were pulling up on Sean. Tell him to go to Sky Zone. Let's go to Sky Zone. Tell him I'll pay for him.
What up?
Sean?
Where y'all at? Marion Y? Downtown. How long y'all gonna be there? close at 4:30. Cool. What do you want to tell him?
You wanna go to Skies?
Aiden said you want to go to Sky Zone.
Yeah, I had to play
He said
basketball.
you had to play basketball. You said you'll pay for him.
I'll pay for Sean, yeah.
He said he'll pay for you. Nigga, he said he'll pay for you. You have a car? Bet y'all trying to pull up. You don't have a license?
What?
For what?
For getting in an accident with no insurance.
Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me
Yeah.
What prompt did you give your Fizz GPT?
look
No, yeah, I can show. I've never used this in my life. It's terrible.
It's closed.
It doesn't work. It is?
Oh, they open at 4 p.m. All right, bet. So just call me. Call
I've
me
never
when y'all
used
leaving
this.
the
It
Y
doesn't
at
work.
4.
Look, there's nothing here.
All right, bet.
Yeah, there's nothing here. I don't actually use these GPTs. They're useless. I like make them for one day and then I'm like, okay, I'm actually going to use these, but they're useless. I just use like the normal chat because the chats are better. I don't know. I mean, I guess one of them I've used. Maybe like,
Gross.
No.
It's in the skies.
I mean, maybe like the RST project I used because I gave it a bunch of data. Yeah, see, I use this one to help me with my final project because look how many sources. Like these sources are each like 100 pages each. I can't read all of that. I don't know why the professor assigned so much. So I just used it to help me like understand some of the sources better. Yeah, exactly. But try out Meta AI. I should. Their new llama is like 7 billion parameters or something.
But what's it called? Can I just take one class through Iowa?
What?
I need to take biostatistics.
You can take class through Iowa over the summer.
Biostatistics.
Over the summer? Oh, through in the normal semester? Yeah, you can dual enroll.
I just need biostatistics.
You need to you have to apply them,
Nowhere has biostatistics.
but it should be easy. You should get in easily. Ride like a low rider bumping speakers. Yeah, it's crazy. You tried Wolfram? Yeah, I mean I just do the physics myself now. That was back in the beginning of the semester when I was lazy. Equal contribution, listing order is random, and I'm gonna erase this. I'm gonna erase this, erase that, erase this, erase that, erase this. And then I'm gonna say,
Bro, Dylan's gonna try to kill us.
wait, what should I say? Talk about our contributions.
Are you grumpy cat? Are you grumpy?
Put that in parentheses. Okay, yeah, the parentheses worked. Okay, so now we can erase all these people, and we're just gonna leave one. We're just gonna leave one person here because the other person is me. Oh wait, we're gonna leave. There we go. Now we got it. And there should be an and underneath that Grammarly. Yeah. Okay. AIDANSA2@illinois.edu. Noah Johnson. And hate typing out my school's name. Oh, he doesn't have a thing. He needs a thing. University of Iowa.
I'm about to apply right now.
What's going on? Oh, there we go. There we go. What's your email? So I'll just do a temporary email.
No, just do Noah Johnson 2005.
No. What's your school email?
No, that's like my business email though.
Okay.
I don't get that out.
2005 at.
3005. At gmail.com.
You really should have a school email.
I do.
Yeah, on the research paper, but we'll change it later.
Oh, my Kirk was back.
We can change it later. I need to change this. Work performed while at Google. Work performed while in school. Sure. Oh, is that gonna change it? It should, because that's like the tag, right? No, it's not the tag. Okay, wait. We need to do... Oh, work performed while in school. There we go. It's right there. Okay. And we can say... On my name, we want... Oh, we have backslash things. We also want to have this. Can I just do like this? No, I can't. Okay, back. Exit that. Oh, wait, maybe we can have this one. We can have this one. We can paste that and then space. I think that's it. Okay. So the problem is can we now have two backslash things? I think we can, right? Yeah, okay, there we go. And now we can remove this one.
Alright, so I need to take statistical methods and compute.
Okay. And then we can move this. Can we move this inside of here, or is that what gave me the problem earlier? Okay, well now it just goes away. What about if I take this out? Oh. Oh, no. I see what it is now. I see what it is. I see what I have to do. I have to remove this one. Okay, but there's no spacing. That was the margin. This one.
Oh, I forgot I do have a Y membership. I could have used your brother's.
Okay. So this is all trial and error, dude. I do not know how to work with whatever this shit's called, latex. Think we can do it like this? There we go. All right, perfect. All right, and we can just erase all of this shit. Yeah, okay, that works. All right, so I'll just erase that later when I actually have something to write, but for the most part, this is gonna be what we have here. I'm gonna erase all the sources. Actually, I shouldn't. I'll just do that later. Yeah. So this should be fine for now. We don't have a title yet, but it's fine. All right. And where's the save button? Here, download PDF. Save this, upload, new folder, new file. I don't know. I don't know how to save. I saved a list of ML resources a few days ago, and the attention all you need was in it. Yeah, that's great. That's a great paper. I have no idea where it came from, though. How did you get to that paper? It's my favorite research paper. I think it is auto-saved. Is my favorite research paper because it's where the transformer model was invented, and like AI would not be anything like it is now without the transformer model. Or not invented necessarily, kind of like discovered, but yeah. I think it is auto-saved. Let me open like a new. Yeah, it's right here, so I can save it now. Download zip file. Yeah. All right, so it's auto-saved. Wait,
Tom was
I
trying to
think it was auto-saved. What did he say?
trying to talk deep. He was like, I'll compare for myself. Like, it's just, it's on the sounds like, nigga, stop trying to make your voice deep, bro. Like,
Why are you trying to spend money?
yeah, he's like, I'll compare for myself. Bro,
I'll
after
pay for him. It's
17,
not that big of a
after
deal.
17, your voice doesn't change. Like, I'll compare for
On God, it
myself.
doesn't change.
He's like, I'll compare for myself.
All right.
I can't believe he does that with license.
What else was I gonna do? Where's my title of this? What's the title of this stream?
Nah, because last time we hooped, that shit was so fun.
At Sky Zone, right?
It's like, oh, dude.
Oh, fixing up my website is what I was gonna do. All right, let me open this. This was Control Shift T. So we're gonna CD into here, and I had a method for using live server from the CLI. I think it's this. Oh wait, then I actually have to. I have to Control Shift T back into the same directory. There we go. There we go. Nice. Okay. And then we can just do that. And now when I make changes here, we want to open CSS and the JavaScript, and that's it. That's all we need to open. Control N. Okay, that's why I was pressing the wrong button. Okay, and if we make changes here, they should appear instantly. So if we go down, this is so, I hate this. I stream myself. Fuck. Where'd that go? Oh, here. And let's just add an R here. Oh, I gotta be in insert mode. No escape. Nope. Insert. J. Okay, I'm adding a J here to see if it updates. Do I have to reload? Oh, right. W. Bro, can I be out of insert mode, please? Oh, and it auto reloads. Oh, shit. So if I undo everything that I've done, and then we save, we have, okay, auto reloads as well. All right, perfect. This is exactly what I should do. So what was I gonna do on my website though? Let me see what chat's saying. Live server, yeah. Check out and subscribe to Andres. Of course, I know Andres Karpathy. He was at Tesla. He's like inventor of autopilot. I think the right person, right? Yeah, this guy, he is. He's not the founder, but like the father of autopilot. Yeah, he's fire. No, Andres Karpathy is him. What's your goals with streaming? I don't know. I don't really have any goals with streaming. I kind of just do it. What? To inspire. Nah. That's not my goal, but if that's what happens, it's fire. Live server, yeah, this is live server essentially, except through CLI. Because like live server is like a VS Code extension, and I don't use VS Code.
I know if I see some nerd studying for 6 hours, I'm gonna go study for 8.
Funny. All right, are we going to whatever?
It opens at 4.
Oh, it opens at 4. Okay, good. So I have a little bit of time.
But Where's your MacBook? Let me borrow your MacBook.
Okay. Which one? I have two.
Oh, itty bitty.
Just use this one. This is the new one.
Oh, well, that's your old one.
Yeah, it is my old one.
I just need to send an email.
Should I see if my final got graded yet?
This bitch heavy.
Yeah, it's fire, dude.
Yeah, this hoe is huge.
Still not graded. The Air.
Hell yeah.
What made you choose Vim over IDEs? I don't know. I just decided to use it. There's like really no rhyme or reason. I think VS Code is great. But I just thought it looked cool, and when I SSH, oh wait, actually there is a reason. There's actually a really big reason. When I write code on my MacBook, I have to SSH into my computer because like Macs have ARM chips, like it's tiny little chip, no dedicated GPU. So I can't train neural nets on my MacBook. So I SSH into my computer, and the only way I can like edit code and it real time changes on the machine so that I can run it is through like the CLI IDEs, I guess is NVim, Nano, normal Vim, anything. But like what I used to do before I learned Vim was I would have to use VS Code, push, commit and then push, and then wait for it to load, go back to my terminal, pull, and then run it. And then I would get an error, and then I'd have to debug, push, or commit, push, pull, run. So it's just a whole process. So using Vim is just a lot easier because everything's just right there. I can edit and write the code in my terminal, and it updates on both machines in real time. Okay, I should add this website's GitHub repository. Just press Command Spacebar. It's on the left side, but I just have it hidden because I run out of screen space. Where is this shit at? Current website here, Never Alone. Never Alone's the last thing, exactly. So we want from, nope, I want to be on this side, from escape, /Lee. Yeah, we want this. So let's go back into visual mode. And this here. What's the UL? When does the UL start? That goes really far back. Yeah, so I guess Visual Code would actually be better for this specifically because I'd be able to see all the lines. Like I can't follow these lines. But so let's yank this. I think it's like, wait, how do we do a new line? It's SO? Wait, hold on. Or it's O. It's O escape. Yeah, it's O escape. And then we're gonna paste it. Nope. We want to undo that. We want to get insert and tab. Let's just tab all the way over. This is gonna be like here. And then now we can escape and paste. Okay. And let's delete that empty line. There we go. All right, who doesn't? Iowa? What the fuck? Oh, I did the wrong one. Oh wait, no, I want to.
Wait, so I have to apply to take the class?
Yeah, but you can easily apply, dude. You'd easily get in. You have like a 3.9.
Who do I apply as first year
Transfer. Okay, there we go. And let's just,
Or actually, what other community colleges are there? Oh,
yeah, you can take it at any community college as well. Those you don't even really have to apply. It's very easy. I don't know what to write. From scratch, period, using some blog posts, period. That's it. That's all I need to write. Okay. Web dev, yeah. This website. Okay, wait. I need to make sure the link is not. That's not the link. So. Should we link the GitHub? No, we shouldn't. We should just link the website because http at aidenandrews.info/ and then we can write that. Yeah, exactly. Okay, the thing we need to do is we need to add the GitHub and the thing. Current website. Okay, so old website. Wait, what is current website? Oh, that's the inside the text. Okay, so we need this. We need this SVG. And well, we should just take this whole section. We're just gonna take this whole section, yank it, and we're gonna replace the entire A here with that section. So I'll have to rewrite that. Or we can just write we can just write it here. Escape P. Nope. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why when I press escape it changes my indents. And let's paste it here. Okay, so if we write this, we'll be able to see what's going on. This website. Okay, so we're gonna want to copy, or we can just delete this line and oh, it deleted everything. Oh, that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. So when I press DD on a like on a thing, it erases from the brackets to the brackets. Okay, so we need to make sure the links are right. Yeah, that link's right. Okay, so the GitHub link is gonna be wrong. Where do I put the GitHub link? There it is. I think it's just like this. It's just like simple dash website. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay. And this lights up, and this goes to my website, of course. Manage web dev. Yeah, that's all I need to do for this one. There's no presentation. Oh, you know what we need to do? We need to add the presentation for Climate Predict. Bro, every time I open YouTube, it goes to Berserk episode 20. It's like they.
I noticed that. I looked on your computer. I was like, "Is that Berserk?" I was like, "No way, he's watching." Yeah.
Every time I click YouTube, it just goes to Berserk. Let's copy this video. Currently developing, so I'm not We can just erase this, yeah?
Oh, I'm gonna take it through Princeton.
Or should I just comment it out? How do you comment in HTML? Things like hashtag. No idea. // Oh wait, can I? Wait, if I undo, can I control / that? No. Okay. Comments HTML. Bro, are you kidding me? Do you see this? Why did it have to be so complicated? Why is commenting so complicated? I guess that's why VS Code does have that thing. I'm just gonna delete it. It just doesn't need to be there. And we can delete the SVG. Oh, let's just delete this entire thing.
Oh,
So stupid. Okay.
to go to status.
Why is this thing?
I don't know.
Deleting this.
You?
Oh, because it's actually just deleting that line. Oh, there we go. No, wait. No, we still want to delete this and delete that. Okay, there we go. Okay, what's the chat saying? Front.
Because we're going with some other friends.
Yeah, it's actually so dumb.
Oh, Sean, probably be awkward.
Who's that? Kyla? Tell her to pull up.
That's what I said. I told her to come, but she said you could just come.
Bro.
Why would you not go? It's
For fun.
For fun, yeah.
It's actually so dumb. Yeah, it is. Front end in general, TBH, agreed. For me too, but front end engineering is of course necessary.
You don't have what?
If you do not control C, control K, that will come your code. No. Yeah, how do I set there, dude? I can't do that on.
She said she
What is
got my
that?
game.
Yeah, I don't know why. What did I do to her?
He said, what did you do to her?
But whatever, I don't care.
Well, I think you should come. I think
What was I doing? Well, now I'm sidetracked. Oh, I was updating this project. Finish building an LSTM. Oh, I did not write an LSTM, so I gotta rewrite this whole thing. It's not an LSTM. I was gonna do an LSTM. Let me just go into visual. I was gonna do an LSTM, but I chose not to. Completed a multi-regression model in Rust. Period. The project comprises. Okay, is this like correct? Comprises 3 regression models. Linear regression, polynomial regression, and random forest regression. Incomplete. This is what I want. What? Oh, because I pressed D. Oh my gosh, this is so stupid.
That was like Monday.
Website, this is what I want again.
Monday?
Yank.
That's so long ago, but like,
Where was I?
a week ago.
Climate predict. Here. Okay, video is where I want. Video. And then I want this link. Should I get the share link or just the normal link? I guess we can get the share link. I think they're the same though. Oh my gosh, I can't.
Why are you acting?
Oh, I can paste it. Okay. Okay, good.
I never said that.
Okay, good. And then we need to add a presentation thing. The same thing as the Dev Nagari app. Web-based application, yeah. Presentation. Oh wait, not a presentation. Oh, we don't even need a presentation. We can just use the demo from the YouTube. So where's the project again? Here, this, we need a link here. href here. Control shift here. Escape. And that, and then title. View the project. Climate predict. Escape and write that. Okay, now when I click this, it goes to the video. When I click this, it also goes to the video. These are unclickable. This goes to the GitHub. Great. What? He's the last one to commit? How? How's that possible? Let's look at the commit history, buddy. Okay, whatever. Wait, I want to see the commit history though. Commits. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is good, I think. Rust, machine learning, yeah. Web dev. Should we get a web dev SVG? Is that like the web dev SVG? I guess we can download it, whatever. You wanna know what's funny, Robert? I actually am the one that wrote this entire README. I wrote this entire thing. If we go to history, I wrote it. I did the initial commit. Can we see view code at this point? Look, this is my second commit, my third commit. This is my third commit. Oh my gosh. And my fourth commit, everything. So yeah, and I also wrote the run.md as well. Pretty sure I'm the only one that committed to this file. Yeah. If we go to project, commit history, should be only me. Oh no, Ben. Oh, Ben had it added the rocket. Yeah. Yeah. crazy commit history. But yeah, he did. He updated the datasets.md, whatever this is. Should be formatted. You know, the funny thing about readmes is you can literally just copy and paste this into ChatGPT and it will format it all correctly and well. Because it's not, I mean, you don't need to, why am I spending time learning the .md formatting and like syntax when I could just use chat and focus on like what really matters in the project. I was gonna add, what was I gonna add? Oh, web dev SPG. Get so sidetracked. So this needs to be added to home, code, and proj, simple, and assets. Okay, don't clown me for doing that, even though I could have done that all with one CLI command, but it doesn't matter. Web dev, rename. Okay, now let's just try to recall how I pull these up. Nope. So, where's one that has it? Same, it's machine learning has one. Oh, these don't have web dev. Okay. Machine learning. So just image source. I'm just gonna copy that. Yank that. And we're gonna go. Where are we? We want this website and Never Alone. So Never Alone web dev footer. We're gonna do escape. Tab. Nope. Not that tab. We're just gonna delete that. We're just gonna paste this here. What's going on? Undo. Oh, oh my gosh, I'm such a bot. Where is this at exactly? Machine learning, we want this. Yank and paste. We're gonna add a new line here. No, that does it after. Okay, escape, undo, enter. There we go. And now we're gonna do assets, web dev. Oh, we're gonna have to move this, right? I think this is gonna put it after. Oh, wait, that looks terrible. Wait, hold on. Let me see this. Yeah, wait, why is this not in a project skills? Okay, I'm just gonna copy this entire thing because this is not even formatted correctly. When did I write this? Let's just delete all that, but we have to delete it afterwards. So stupid. Escape. Nope. I'll paste this there. Okay. And then we're gonna just delete all of this. No, we just want to delete this. Delete that one. Well, let's see what happens. Where did that go? Never Alone? Okay, well, Never Alone, exactly. So this is not machine learning, obviously. How do I do Word again? It's like JW. No, whatever. Alright, escape. Let's just go here. DW. And we're gonna use web dev SVG, and we should be good here.
Wait,
Okay.
Keaton's grabbing.
Yeah, did you see it? Where is it?
Is that upstairs?
No, it's down here. My brother might have thrown it away.
No way.
No, it would be over here. Okay, I need to go to the bathroom.
Let's walk upstairs.
No, it's down here for sure. It was on the couch.
You said in the trash, probably?
need to see. You said it could be in the trash. I ain't checked.
Yeah, I think it would be in the trash. I just have no idea what it
Oh man, how can we throw something that precious away?
is. No, it might be. Damn, I do not know where it is at all.
Did he not see the cover of it? Yeah, there's no way it's in the trash.
Why?
Cause this watermelon's still in here. That like we ate like 4 days ago. Bruh.
You put all my stuff somewhere.
Selling.
Where are all the bags? There was like I have a bunch of bags, you remember? That's where it would be.
They're all under like the one.
Like the bags, yeah. The disposable ones.
Oh, man.
Dude, I can call him.
Or call her to send them up.
But can you believe that I put my address? Like I swiped up and put my address.
That's
So crazy. I know it's.
Wait, did you lose the icon?
What? I don't know. Hopefully.
Oh, there's a bunch of Lulu. Oh, these are your sisters.
You would get with all your coding interviews. It's crazy. Is that like legal? Okay, let's change the width and the height. Can we just go to defaults?
I'm seeing it.
It's around here somewhere. Nope, we should not go to defaults. Should we go to 15? You found it actually? Yeah, 15, 15 is good.
Though?
Yeah, I know, it should be a lot more.
Get that in the light. We're going?
I wasn't planning on it. I wasn't planning on it.
Calendar. If it's on a weekday, for sure. If it's on a weekend, maybe.
Oh, I was about to press D.
June
I
1st
pressed
is
D.
awesome. What are y'all doing?
I pressed D.
You're getting rated?
Yes, I am. By these damn cats.
Bruh. Her grad party's on the first day of LGBTQ Pride Month. Nothing's wrong with that. It's just
Wait, what do I do? Oh, P. Yeah, I know.
toes
It's
and
crazy.
everything.
I know.
I'm taking a picture of this.
Oh man, no, I saw that. I was like, that's kind of crazy.
So Sean just never called me back.
He was supposed to call you back.
I said call me back when you're done at 1.
Oh, maybe he's not done yet.
They close at 4.
And then we'll just copy this. Where's skills here? We're gonna add it to the end because it's a terrible skill. What is it doing? Look at the cat. It stomps all. I had to put my case back on my iPad because it just stomps all over everything that I own.
Whoa, you're stepping on the grad card? Chill. Chill, man. Yeah, keep this right here. Where is it?
Nope.
Is that
I forgot what what shortcut I did.
Is that her
Web
address?
dev, and we're gonna do
3730
dev.
Carberry.
Okay, perfect.
CT Northeast. Yep, this is her house. At her house too. Bet now we have her.
Should I change the sizes of these icons too?
You need brush.
I'll change the machine learning one. The machine learning one's actually really small. Yeah, this one. So we're just gonna do 15 and 15. We're gonna see what that looks like. Wait, why is it not just going down one line?
wild.
Wait, why is it like skipping over? Oh, because this line technically doesn't exist, right?
Look at that.
'Cause it's just I ran out of screen space. Yeah, 15's fine. We're gonna do 15 for everything.
Bro, that cat eats brush.
I know, they both need brush, bro.
This one's not as bad.
They get neglected because their father is a Division I basketball player.
You don't even live here.
Why is my scroll wheel not working? Why is nothing working? Oh, because I'm in the thing. Browser sync connected? What are you talking about? 15 here, 15, 15, and last one is this project. Oops, 15. Niggas smelling my cat. Okay. Is 15 too big? Should I go back and change them all? Oh, completed. I have a completed tag.
Smell your hair.
Yank. We're gonna do that on climate predict. Yeah, climate predict. Project skills. And we're gonna put it here.
Oh, they're spicy.
What are?
These ramen.
Yeah, they're so spicy. It's fire. Yeah. How did your final go, bro? My finals went well. I have a 4.0 currently. Is that your brother? Yeah. You can say that.
Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me.
Anything else like explicitly need to be updated? Oh, I was gonna do lazy loading. Oh, you know who was gonna do that for me? ChatGPT. Where's chat? Where's chat? Did I close the browser? Okay, whatever. Hold on, make it a little bit smaller. Come on, bro, come on. Make this shit smaller, bro. Yeah, there we go. Go to chat. We're gonna try the new.
It's because Dylan, bro. Dylan hates.
Okay, we're gonna upload these files.
Dylan hates us or something.
I know, right? No, he said he likes us now. Do you think I need to put the JavaScript? I think I'm just gonna do it. Currently, my website does not have. Currently, my website is set up so everything is one. Okay, wait, let's solve one problem at a time. We're gonna do that problem next. URL change with state. That's gonna be an easy problem to solve, I think. This one's gonna be, so everything loads up front together. However, the default page is the about section. So how can I have a, so only the header, footer, and current page loads. Oh no, we don't even need current page because it doesn't reload with state change. And about me load initially, and everything else is lazy loaded so that it loads faster. Period. What else was I gonna say? Oh yeah. Also, notice how okay, let's see if it can handle this big ass file. Oh crap. And it's faster too. I don't know if we should modify the JavaScript. I'm scared. Is it gonna write this whole file? Rewrite this whole file? How many lines is it again? 581. I mean, I never trust when chat rewrites the entire file because it always messes up somewhere. GPT-4o, yeah, it's fire, apparently. I've never used it. I just saw it on Discord today. They were talking about it. And, nope. Where is it? Here. No? Here. Announcements. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of date. Yeah, see? Our new flagship model. Wait, is GPT is for? Okay, come on, can we get? Oh, benchmarks. Here we go. May 13th. Okay. GPT-4o. Oh yeah, it's the strongest model. Oh no, it's not. Oh wait, this is GPT-4. Wait, where's GPT-4 Turbo? 20. Yeah, this is the most recent, right? Chat GPT. 86, 49, 72, 87. Okay, so it's better. It leads in these three, and then it's only is the assistant. So yeah, 4.0 is the best currently out, which is what I'm using. Dude, like this is why I didn't really want it to rewrite the whole HTML file, but I guess it can. Are you doing this with vanilla JavaScript? I am. Yeah, it's just plain JavaScript. It's the most plain you could possibly get. No frameworks. Her is going to become a documentary. Her is going to become a documentary? What's going to become a documentary? Okay, let's see. Okay, this, first of all, this is not 500 lines of code. Oh, initially load only the about section. What is it saying? And keep only the essential parts in the initial HTML structure. Wait, can I actually read this? So it wants me to alter the directory, just make. Yeah. Wants me to put each section in its own HTML files. Like, I don't want to do that. Alright, let's do something a little bit easier first. Let's do something a little bit easier first. So I hate this. I wish I had the Mac select where you can individually select. Okay, first of all, let's do this first. Oh, I deleted the new tab. That's where I had my thought. What did I want to do? Fuck, I forgot. Hold on. I can rewatch. I can just rewatch it. Let me go back. What the fuck is this? Am I Elite Code Wiz? No, I'm not. I wish. I mean, I'm sure I could solve most Elite Code easy problems. And maybe some mediums. Okay. Come on, dude, load faster. Okay, wait. URL, change the state. That was what I was gonna do. Okay.
No way they give out edit 43. Sean said, we busy. Probably can't cover skies on, but we not busy later.
What the fuck's he talking about? What is this doing? Okay, do you think I can copy and paste this, or do you think I'm just gonna break everything? Okay, this adds a new function: show section, load post, and back to blog. Show section, load post, and back to blog. I think that's like at the bottom. Back to blog, load posts. Show section.
Oh yeah, see, Dylan does not want to go.
He said Dylan
I
doesn't.
tried to convince him to go though.
Show section. So I'm going to delete this. And then it wants me to replace load post and back to blog. Okay, let's see. Control Shift V. Nope, it's not what I wanted. Let's undo that. Oh, I'm not clicked. Control Shift V. Show section, load post, and back to blog. Okay, and let's replace the event listener. Should have update URL as well. Yeah, update URL. So I want me to change the event listener. This is gonna be so bad. This is just gonna break everything. okay. Alright, bro, whatever. Whatever this says, bro. The JavaScript doesn't auto-reload it. Okay, it changes the section and doesn't require a reload to navigate. And seems like the JavaScript otherwise is working well as also. Yeah, this is definitely working. Is this? Yup. Okay, I'm gonna delete this part. That's probably gonna be in update URL. Yeah, here we go. Current URL. We want to delete this. No, that should work. Huh. Oh. Okay, I get it. Yeah, no, we don't need to do that. We don't even need to do current URL split. We can just say, oh. Wait, control. Wait, let me undo that. Okay. Alright, let me see what chat says to do. Where's the thing at? Oh, it's over here. Just. Let me see what this part. Okay. I need to. What's going on here? Oh, it creates them? No. Yeah, see, this still doesn't work. Wait, is this the same code? It's the same code, that's why. I don't know why it does that. Bro. Let's see. Okay, well, it works now. If we push this. Okay, good. All right. What did I add? Added URL state change and updated projects. Rejected, failed, updates were rejected because of. Okay. Get pull space. Okay. Okay, there we go. What happened here? Wait, is it because it's forgetting? Fuck. Okay. I'll have to change that, but I just need to see if this works first. I need to fix that though. Oh, it's probably not updated yet. Yeah, it's still pulling. Okay, so now we have a problem though, is I thought this change was a little bit longer though. Where did I put it? Clear local storage. That's a long time though. So the problem is, okay. The problem now is that the link. Wait, well, we'll see after this pushes. We'll see. Okay. Okay, so do these not exist until I go to the page? Like if this says declined or whatever, oh, it just defaults? But like if I copy this and put it here, and it works, okay. But like categories, if I copy this and put it here, what happens? It goes to bookshelf. So yeah, these links are not real. These links are not real. They're updated. This is now the links are created. The links are created only when the user clicks on a section. Period. However, I want the links to always be there, and the user can always access them, regardless. What? Oh.
Where y'all at? Y'all set oh, I was about to say, it was at 4:30. Bill was doing that. Right hand doing that.
Alright, what's chat saying? Is this site just JS and CSS? Yeah, just JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, no frameworks. Were you grinding some linear algebra on the whiteboard? I was doing linear function approximation using AX equals B, right? That's what I said. Yeah, AX equals B.
Why?
I'm currently studying IT and planning to do CS at uni next September. I'm considering pursuing, yeah, that's fire. You definitely should. Started taking linear algebra courses to get ready for college. It's a great idea, but I've been struggling and not very good at it. Of course, you're never going to be good at something the first try. Any suggestions to learn math and improve programming? Math is something where you just learn it as you go. It'll start all making more sense. This is why I think, like, I have kind of underrated opinion. Like, I think it's better, or it's easier to learn like advanced math when you already know introductory math than learning introductory math for the first time, which is an underrated take because like people are like, oh, these upper level math courses are impossible. We're about to go.
They're about to go, yeah.
Oh, they're about to go.
But they're at downtown Y. So we have like 5 minutes.
Okay, but they're gonna go, both of them. Fire. All right.
Steve's like, shit, bro, I don't know, man.
Dylan.
Yeah, I was like, bro, can you stop? Like, I know who you are. Like, they're both so annoying.
It's funny. Yeah. Like the upper level math classes like look hard when you don't know math, but like when you know math, it's pretty easy. The concepts build upon each other.
Biostatistics.
What?
I need information on biostatistics.
Does anyone know how to do biostatistics? A lot of statistics. I don't know about
I
biostatistics
have
though.
information on. I'm gonna take it.
Started taking algebra courses to get ready for college. Oh, algebra. I thought you said linear algebra.
Brother bought everything in the game.
Yeah, algebra is algebra. You'll understand. I mean, once you take calc, you'll understand algebra. How do you prefer linear algebra, real analysis? There's a big difference, at least in my opinion, between linear algebra and real analysis. Real analysis is completely different in my mind than linear algebra. Heard real analysis is really, really hard, and people do like their thesis statements on that. And linear algebra is more to the capacity that I'm taking it. I'm just taking like one single applied linear algebra course. Just now realized bro is voluntarily using light mode. I love light mode on everything. I use light mode on everything. When I use dark mode, I mean, there's no point to use dark mode. When I'm doing work, like my eyes are not like tired. I shouldn't get tired when I'm doing work. So, I mean, I'd use dark mode if I was about to go to bed or something, but I don't use devices before bed. How much does the AWS host cost? It's free. I don't know I think it might be because I have an Amazon account, but it's free. Like, I've never paid a single cent. I don't know how. But I've literally never paid a single cent.
Look at the.
Is it a hair tie?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that thing. Yeah, I mean, it says 53 cents, but they never charge me for it. I've never paid anything ever. It says 50 cents, but I've never paid once. I don't think. I mean, maybe they charge me 50 cents. Whatever. 50 cents. It's the same. It's still basically free. I pay for the domain though. You just bink biostatistics? What is Birth saying? How do you get your screen like that on the right? Is that Visual Studio Code? This is Vim. This is Vim. This is the CLI. Oops, not the right. Wait, what's going on? Oh, because I'm not clicked on it. This is CLI. See, this is just my terminal. Yeah. Yeah, I use light mode. AWS is free. Thank you for the advice, of course. How do you avoid burnout, Michael? Michael Turner. How do I avoid burnout?
I think burnout's fake.
I think burnout's not fake,
It's not
but
fake, but
I
it's just
personally
like-
don't experience burnout because I just like, I mean, if anything, I have like the opposite of burnout. I feel like I'm doing not enough all the time, but that's just because I think you need to create goals for yourself or like figure out why you're doing what you're doing, and then once you really focus on that, you'll realize like you have to continue working because you won't reach your goals otherwise, or you won't complete what you need to complete. And when you have that mindset where it's like, oh, I haven't done enough constantly, it's a lot healthier than having the mindset of like, oh, I'm doing too much, I can't handle this. So that's my advice for that. Just like sit down, look yourself in the mirror and figure out why you're doing it and what goals you want. And you need to realize that like the goals aren't going to be completed unless you put in the work necessary to complete those goals. Like for me, I just always feel like I have so much to achieve and so much that I owe. Like I just owe it to myself, like personally, but I owe it to the world, and I owe it to the people around me, and I owe it to my parents who have provided so much for me, and I owe it to my family who have helped me my whole life. I owe it to them to continue working, so I'm just like, I can't stop working until I'm content, and I'm just currently not content. What was your journey to become an ML engineer? I'm not yet an ML engineer, but I guess I'm an ML researcher. And what guidance would you offer to someone aspiring to enter the field in the future? Learn the math behind it and the concepts, and then everything else just kind of falls into place. Well, it depends on doing what is meaningful to you. Of course, Ace Piggy, I would agree with that. Do what is meaningful to you. Yeah, it's an interesting outlook. I mean, I've heard a lot of people have different outlooks, but yeah, I mean, for me, like I've lived a very, like my parents have provided like a lot for me, so the least I could possibly do is like the best. Like I just want to be the best me every single day and better every single day. But yeah. So it's the least I can do. But I gotta go. I'm going to Sky Zone. How long has the stream been?
She has that Xbox X.
3 hours. Okay, so I have to change the title.
What was the title?
Well, I have to put short. I have to say short stream because it is a short stream. Oh, I already said short stream when I started. Okay, all right, bad. All right, I'm ending stream. Any helping books about math? I have some textbooks over here, but it depends on what you're doing, what type of math.
I can't believe Dallas got Rich Dad Poor Dad. That nigga never read that book.
Yeah, we said for that. Yeah, later. Thanks for the sub. Helping books at math. I don't know. I learned a lot of math through my university, so they provide the textbooks for us. And then I've purchased some machine learning math textbooks, but this textbook is really good for introduction to linear algebra and vector calculus and statistics and probability, but it requires that you have like a deep understanding of math. Like it's very heavy mathematical notation. You guys probably can't see this, but like everything they say is in like deep math notation. So you need to know all the Greek letters. You need to know like you just need to know everything. I mean, they have a section at the beginning that explains this stuff, but if you're not used to reading it, it's gonna take a while to become used to it. But to get started on math, you should watch a bunch of videos. 3 Blue, 1 Brown. Veritasium has some good videos, and Organic Chemistry Tutor on YouTube. But I'm ending stream.